was a different kind of morning, one in which we woke up with an itch to go explore.
Hey yo, what is this?
We took the van.
Hold on. What was that? I don't know what I'm playing right now. I'm just playing random lo-fi music chat, so. Much better.
What you think of that?
Oh, chat. What up? What's goody? Very interesting day today, chat. Oh, my hair is messy today. What's up, chat? What's going on? Where's my music? That's better. Hold on. Let me just boom. Wait, hold on. We don't got 100 in here yet. I can't do my analysis yet. We gotta chill. We gotta wait. We gotta wait, chat. We need to see 100 before I do my morning analysis. Yeah, we have CPI. We have CPI today. CPI. What up, Peanut? Oh, I gotta link that Nightbot thing. That what's that thing called? Oh, our spreadsheet. Yeah. That was a pain yesterday, wasn't it? Well, actually, not really for me, cause we ain't really we didn't really do much. I didn't really do much. It was all Reza and MM. Shout out to them. Trace account stream. Where is it? That's it. That's it. So phone version, that version, pay signals, and then XO trades taken on stream 2020. 2022. I'm tripping. Yeah. Go on Nightbot. Hold on, chat. Give me a second. This. We have 100 in here yet? We got 100 yet, chat? Let's see. Okay, 110. Okay, cool. I'll do my analysis. Yeah, yo, we updated the spreadsheet. We updated the spreadsheet, chat. It is here. Do exponent trades, but this is so now it's gonna show all of it. Basically, it's gonna show a lot more. It's gonna have a lot more details. It's gonna show the date it was taken, the pair, the setup, the time frame, the entry type. So the flip, breakup period is kind of higher low, breaker current higher low, or start replay. Sub type, onion, fake out, breakout. Right, those are 3 sub types, and these are our 4 entry types. Basically the playbook, and the link to the link to the trade, the time on a stream it was taken at, half risk or full risk, the pips we got in that trade, win or loss, that close 50%, when you close 50%, when you close full, and then obviously Brazil means break even, and then win counter, loss counter, and break even counter, and yeah, so far this is February. January I still gotta update because it's a pain. I gotta record all the trades from January still, but I think it was like what was our January record? 4 and something, 4 and 3, or 4, 3 and 2 or something. 2 losses, 4 wins. But yeah, that was just January, and then you can have your own copy too. If you go to the what do you call it? The spreadsheet. You go to the journal template. You can just save it and have it for yourself. Cool. But yeah, let's see. We got news today. Got a bit of news going on. You have here. Let me just change this up music. Yeah, you have so you have core CPI chat. You have core CPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern today. So there's gonna be some volume at 8:30. If you don't see any volume right now for gold or any of the dollar pairs, it's probably the reason why we're ranging right now, because the price is probably gonna wait to news, right? And news is at 8:30, so that's in about an hour and a half, about 2 hours there. And then you have unemployment claims. So I think they're expecting here. They're expecting good numbers for unemployment claims, and for core CPI, they're expecting bad numbers. They're expecting lower than expected, right? So they're expecting bad numbers. So let's see what happens, right? But it looks like the news today may come out as a mix. But we'll never know until 8:30. All right, we'll figure it out at 8:30. Let's start with our analysis though. My favorite part of the day. This is the first time I'm looking at the charts. You know that feeling, chat, when you wake up, or at least this is the feeling I get. I wake up, I see on Instagram everyone's taking positions on during London, and I don't know where price is right now. This is the first time I'm actually checking the charts, so I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna wait till the stream to open the charts. It's like a surprise for me, but let's start off. Weekly shows that we are bullish on GJ. All right, so the weekly target has been tapped officially. This is drawn out, probably most likely. I think it was drawn out on Monday. I'm pretty sure. Monday's stream if you watch the first 15 minutes of every stream, that's usually when I do the breakdown. So we did the same breakdown on Monday, and price came up today, right? Came up exactly as planned. That was a weekly bias. Weekly bias has tapped target. Now, that doesn't mean that we're gonna stop moving from here. Price may still continue to push throughout the next couple of hours to candles here. But yeah, my bias is still bullish, and if you end up closing above this resistance this week in about a day, so after tomorrow, then next week is looking like we're gonna head up towards the next resistance, right? Because if you look on the left here, price has never closed at this area before in the past. We've struggled here so many times here, right? So we need a closure above. But if you get a closure above, look left. Where's your next weekly target next week? Right, next week you're probably gonna be pushing up towards 161.324 next week, right? If this is the case, so because this is your support and this is your resistance, this is not just a range formed. So until you actually get an official breakout of this range, price may be ranging this area for quite some time. Price may be ranging for quite some time, so I want to see us break above for tomorrow, because I don't want to see a range week next week. I really don't want to see us close bullish below this resistance, because next week will be bullish, but the chances of going up will be a lot lower, and there's a high chance of staying in range for the whole entire week. But let's see. Weekly bias is bullish. If you break above this amount of resistance today, again, next target is gonna be like 161, but I doubt that target's gonna get tapped until we actually get a closure above tomorrow. 4-hour shows that daily shows that we're bullish as well. We actually closed bearish yesterday. I'm not sure if you guys seen, but we closed bearish on a daily, respecting the support. So this support was never broken. We came down, closed, respecting it. So today, if you guys have been with us for quite some time, you would have expected the day count to come up to give us a side play, right? So until we actually come up to break this high, the bias isn't bearish, or sorry, the bias was not bullish. The bullish was not bias. So yeah, us breaking those highs gives us a side play on the daily, which you would now expect price to drive up towards the next daily resistance, which is up here at around these areas over here, right? Which is prices can't happen right now. But yeah, from here to here was like a solid, I think 40 pip range, I believe. It was like 40-30 pips here, right? So it wasn't bad. London session was pretty clean. I've seen a lot of people take positions there. Pretty solid positions, pretty solid buys. 50 pips going up. But yeah, if I am looking for buys today, I want to see an onion play here. I really want to see an onion, because this is your most recent resistance, right? This is the resistance we had marked up since yesterday, I believe. Yesterday's NY session, which we never closed above. So now that we have a closure above, it indicates that you had some range today to drive up. or yeah, in case we have some range now to drive up as prices closing above on the 50 and 30 during the London. But yeah, that's your most recent resistance. I want to see kind of price drive down here towards 156,800. Obviously I won't be taking any sells. However, if this is your resistance being created here at 157,182, let's look left. Where's that? It's around here, right? If this is your resistance, then price gotta come down eventually to create support, right? So you have two options here. You can wait for either price to come down here. This is what I love for this to happen. Price to come down. Again, we won't be taking any sells until we get a range 2 breakout. So these will not be taken. But this is what you're expecting price to do. You're gonna miss on probably like a 28 pip range, just so you can catch the range going back up. But you want to see price coming down here, create that support, and then at the support level, you're gonna want to see price probably close bullish at support here. Once you close bullish at support, it indicates that we have found support, and you can then take your bias going up to retest the highs. You can get an entry in somewhere along this next candle opening. Your stop loss will be the previous candle low, and your TP will be up here, or your TP will be the next daily runner. But the reason why I want this is just because we're starting to tap that daily resistance, right? And if we're starting to tap that resistance, if price starts to create this, it'll give us this range to catch, right? Just think about it this way. If price is already pushing up towards daily resistance, the only range you can catch now is above. But above is you tapping into the daily resistance, which doesn't mean price may reject, but it's just a lower probability that we're going to continue up. However, if price comes down, it gives us more range. If price goes down now, it now gives us the range that we kind of missed out on during London because we weren't trading that session. So we come down, we'll catch this range, which is basically the London move from last night. All right, this is what I want. You're starting to form a minor support right here, so you might get a range to break up below here. Actually, by the way things are looking, this might actually be a potential range to break up below 156,809 here. But let's see. I'm not going to confirm that yet until we actually close bullish here on the hourly, or we close bullish on the 30. But this is a solid range that we're currently in right now. So I'll take that into consideration. But you can get more buys above 157, 182 here. Looking left above that range, I guess you have clean traffic. Let's see. Is this clean traffic? Thing about this is the ranges aren't clean here. Looking left, there's not enough, like, it's not a solid support resistance, right? You see how we have so many levels here? You have this down here, then you have this, then you have this, then you have this. You want to look for the most recent cleanest level, and that's gonna be, for me at least, I think it's gonna be up here. Because if you take buys above here, you're gonna have to worry about, I guess, this. And I'd rather just take them above here and then just worry about nothing, because look left after you have clean traffic. Does that make sense? You have clean traffic above here, but if you take it above here, you're gonna have to worry about this, which is a very small range going up. So I mean, this is the most recent resistance, 157 182. That's the most recent, and prices never closed above before, so that indicates something. This hourly candle broke the lows, which is interesting. Now it's starting to flip bullish. You know what, I'm gonna leave it as is, and then we'll come back to it. But for now, I'm just gonna say like buys above here. But we're gonna come back to once this hourly candle closes. We're gonna do a gold analysis real quick. Closure, right? Is that how I do it? Yeah, buys above here, closure. I'm tripping. And then gold here for the week shows that you are bullish, right? So same thing on gold. We kind of drew the weekly candles on Monday, and prices came up, tap target exactly as expected for gold here. So dropping down to daily styles range to go up. A daily is tapping on very minor resistance here, but overall I would expect this by the end of the week we should be able to tap the top of the range here, or by the end of the day, 1850 here. All right, there's a very minor resistance. Obviously all it comes down to news and how the core CPI numbers come out. That should push price heavy today. But yeah, we closed respecting this resistance yesterday. I kind of wanted to close above, but it's okay. We're still bullish today as long as we respect the previous candle low. All right, as long as we respect this low, I would expect today's daily candle to drive up and then tap the next resistance, which is up there at the, what was that, 1848 mark, I want to say. So not bad. So if I'm looking for buys today, let's see, 4 hours shows that we are 4 hour shows that we're in a range. We're at a range right here. We closed below support, I guess. So the 4 hour candle, technically you're expecting it to drive down. However, daily is still bullish. There should be some type of, okay, there we go, perfect. I was gonna say there should be some type of fake on 30-minute time from then. If that's how the 4 hour looks. Yeah, 30-minute shows that we have this. So you have a support formed. You have another support formed down here. This is the range that you're currently in. If you had closure above 1833, then you can go up towards the top of the range, which is at 1835. And then you want your buys to be above there as well. Above 1835, you're gonna have clean traffic, I guess, until, or even above 1836 here, you're gonna have clean traffic into the next range. So where's the next range we have? It's gonna be up here. Yeah, it's a steep range from 1836 to 1843. That's a pretty steep range, but do you see how it aligns perfectly with the daily analysis, right? As long as you respect the previous candle low on the daily, look left, you have a clean traffic until 1850, 1848 levels. Our target for that 30-minute time frame was 1843, so a little below that resistance, but still around the area. So that's probably what I'm going to look for, chat. I'm going to look for buys above 1863 here. I want to avoid this range just because this right here, if this wasn't here and you had a candle looking like this instead, this would be a lot cleaner. Right, because that's a clean traffic candle. And then taking buys above here would be pretty easy for us. You get closure above, you take buys going up for the rest of the range. But since that range is very small there, I don't really like the way things look. So I might just wait for a buys above 1860, 1836 here and miss on these ranges here. Range 2 sells are valid below here. This is range 1. This is range 2. So sells will be below like 1831.419 here. Yeah. Below, and the target will be like 1828 here. That range going down is a solid 28 pip range here, just because like the daily they close bullish, but you see how it closes bullish respecting that resistance. So if we break below this support here, that's going to indicate to us that, okay, maybe the daily may drive down today towards 1828 if you break below 1831. Because even if you come down and break below like 1831 and you tap 1828, you're not really breaking the daily lows. The daily lows is down here at like 1824, so you're still near the area. You're still respecting the previous daily low. Wouldn't be too worried about that. But yeah, I guess range 2 sells would be below here. I should just put buys above here. All right, my hair is messy. But yeah, pretty chill day, looking solid. What was he gonna say? Oh yeah, GJ, yeah. So I was gonna go back to GJ and mark up that resistance again. I might just consider moving the resistance up towards here instead and look for buys above here. Let me see how the 4 hour looks. 4 hour looks like it is. Oh, 4 hour is nice. Wow. I didn't see the 4 hour candle. 4 hour looks like it's just starting to flip out to create a bottom wick here. And once you re-break the highs, you should be solid. Where's the re-break of the highs now? Re-break of the highs is going to be around here. So let's go back on the 30 and see where that is. Okay, yeah. That makes a lot more sense now. Yeah. So, yeah, I think I'm going to move my resistance up, chat, towards here instead. Because this is a lot cleaner. Above this area is a lot cleaner than where we are right now. Right? Not only do you have a closure above the range after, what you have after is also the daily candle re-breaking highs. So high chance once you re-break the highs with the closure that you should be able to continue up pretty easily towards the next range. So, and target, where's my target? Up here. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, nice. 1 hour close bearish here. 1 hour close bearish respecting the support though. So That's gonna be interesting. I want to see if we can come up to break this 1 hour high. Now that would give us a 1 hour starter play, which we won't be entering because they have a resistance here. But you want to see closures above 157.249 here. And 3rd-minute kind of create a range here, and then you close bullish support. So you would expect this candle to drive up here. So if we can drive up, and that shows that we have a high chance to break the 1 hour highs, as the 1 hour gives us a starter play here. So one thing leads to another. But yeah, not the greatest day, to be honest with you guys. Yes, it was a lot cleaner. I think today it's not as clean because the move happened during London, right? So New York session is kind of chalked. Not chalked, but let's see. Might be better. We have a lot of potential positions still, though. Not bad. How about the 1 hour start play on gold? How would a 1 hour close? Oh yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's not the greatest because there's still a resistance here, but I feel like I have too many levels marked up here for some reason. Let me just adjust this. Yeah, let me just leave it as that. Or no, let's leave it. I don't like it. I don't like when I have like too many levels marked up. I try to have the most relevant levels. Like right now, like technically these lines down here are relevant. Doesn't really matter, right? Because we're nowhere near there yet. We can start worrying about that once you close below 1831. The only lines that are relevant right now are these two lines. You have this line, then you have this line. 2 ranges. That's it. It's 4 p.m. I've been on my computer since 11. Jeez. Any trades, MM? What's good, Don? I just joined the Discord group yesterday. The general progress looks great. Looks pretty good so far. I'll jump in when you guys put out the first draft and add some metrics in there. Oh shoot, you're from Oh yeah, we told you to message us. Yeah. We created this. We added this stuff in it. I don't know. Over time, we'll add more stuff. Like I still gotta add like what is it? I gotta add did you close 75%, right? So 50% close or close forward 75% closure. Because sometimes we do close an extra 25%. And then what else should we add, chat? Let me know. If you have any suggestions, let me know. The timeline stream is pretty dope. This timeline stream is based off the clock at the top left, by the way. It's not based off of the YouTube stream. It's based off of the clock at the top left. Good morning. What up, Mark? What's going on? Don, how can I get access to the Excel sheet? Do exclamation point trades. Exclamation point trades. And there'll be a link that pops up. That you'll see the results. Yeah. I think that's it, right? That should be it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and there we go. So look, I know that this wasn't like it wasn't anything crazy, but it was very important to understand this concept here. The one we just had it right here. So you see how the 1 hour close bearish here, right? The 1 hour close bearish, respecting the support. There's a minor support here, right? Look left, there's a minor support. These wicks here indicate that there's a minor support. Prices never closed below before. So if we're starting to respect that support, you want to see us break this 1 hour high so that we can actually continue up to close above 157.249, right? That would give us a 1 hour starter play, and that will also give us the direction of our bias, right? Bias, obviously. And it was very important to understand this concept right here off of 30, because this 30 created a support here. It closed bullish at support. So every time it closes bullish at support, it indicates that we should drive up to retest the highs, which is at around like 180-ish, right? 190-ish, which isn't the 1 hour highs just yet, but the 1 hour highs is up here. So a push up on this 30 candle could indicate and lead us to us breaking above here. It's there's no like entry or anything here. There's no setup here, but it's just a simple concept to understand, because it's the same way we look for biases off of like the weekly and daily and monthly, etc. Right? We cannot take one concept or one piece of the puzzle, add to the next piece of the puzzle, and create one story, or one chapter in the next chapter, make it one story. So the one chapter here is a 30-minute time frame. The other chapter here is a 1 hour time frame. Put it together, you have 2 chapters that lead to one whole entire story of the bias being bullish today on a daily, which could drive us up. Again, nothing too crazy, no entries or anything, but just it's a simple concept. Simple, basic concept. Honestly, like trading right, like for me right now feels like it's like math, it's like probability. Like mentally, I can kind of see the percentages of the trade. Obviously we can't predict if it will play or not, but we can go off of past results and we can kind of see what the odds of this playing out based off like the person gonna have no bond on Wick, or kind of closing, you know, above or below the ranges, like the no bond on Wick on daily, etc. Like adding all these things up, I kind of have a mental calculation in my head of how valid the trade is, right? And if it's over a certain percentage, obviously, then we're taking it. But if it's not, then we're not taking it. Let's go US oil. Can you believe me? 7 wins in a row? That's sick, bro. That's sick. Yeah, I think I'm on like maybe I'm on 5 right now because the signal calls, but yeah, 7's great. The last loss I took was on stream, I think 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago on a Friday. I remember that day. Do you have any goals? What would you like to achieve in the next 1 to 5 years? Honestly, I don't know. I'm just taking it day by day. I don't know what's to come. Like, look at Marcos, for instance. This guy is life changing within like less than a year, within like 4 months, you know. In 2019 my life changed within like 4 months too. Sure, it was from I think like starting May 2019 to like May 2019 to like October 2019. How many months is that? June, July, August, September, October. Like 5 months, life-changing months. 5 life-changing months. I don't know. So a lot could change. Talking about 5 years though? Fuck, I don't know, man. I might be dead. Who knows?
It's hard to have long.
Knock on wood. Oh, what's up, Marcos?
What up?
What you say?
It's hard to have long-term goals. You could just 5 years, like, could be retired by then.
Who knows? Yeah, that's a long time.
A long time.
Bro, what were you doing 5 years ago?
5 years ago, I was in the military in Georgia doing basic training.
In Georgia?
I was bald like my emoji.
Like actually shaved bald like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 years ago, I was in grade 11. I was in high school.
Man, that made me feel old.
Yeah, I was thinking like, yo, so you know how you have Snapchat memories? Imagine you get a Snapchat memory from like 1 decade ago in like 5 years. Damn.
Is it exclamation point trades or exclamation point spreadsheet?
Trades.
Trades.
It's an auto command too. It kind of shows every like 10 minutes or something.
Oh, no, trades is for your Instagram story.
What?
Oh wait, what?
No.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I messed it up.
You have both. You have 2 trades commands. My bot spoke twice.
Hold on, let me just change that. That's confusing now. Okay,
Do
hold on.
exclamation point results for your Instagram. Because it says you could check out Don's
I
results.
swear that's what it is, no?
Nah, it's trades.
Well, no, trades is the spreadsheet. Try now.
Yeah, because I did trades and both came up.
Yeah, there you go. There's a spreadsheet,
you got
and then I didn't change anything though. And results are my IG.
Are you gonna put the trades on auto like everything else, or no?
What do you mean auto?
Like every 30 minutes or whatever.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, there was results, and then let me see timer. Let me just not mess this up. So commands. The command one is kind of useless. No one really looks at the commands. Course. Okay. Discord posture results. Okay. And trades document. Yeah, it's all there. We're good. Not the best markers today, Marco's. Not gonna lie to you. Not sure if you've seen.
I haven't. I was looking at the journal now to do my breakdown. I was looking at GJ last night, looking for sells. It never closed below. I went to bed and then I woke up and it was like 100 pips bullish. I was like, what the hell? Daily salary play and everything. There must have been what, news or something on GJ?
GJ, yeah, it was insane.
I was about to say, it doesn't move like that normally. 4 hour no bottom wick.
Yeah, I think there was. Let me check. For sure, there was news or something. Who will document Don? Who will document last year's trades? Not me. Not me. I want. I don't know. Whoever wants to do it.
Individual.
Yeah, because those are a lot of trades, and even me doing 3 trades yesterday, like, took a minute, because then you gotta see like had I entered to go half risk, full risk. Like on a stream, it's all there, but going back a full year and doing that, that's a lot of work, and I give props to whoever wants to do that for us.
That's some valuable knowledge if you have the dedication and the drive.
Oh, wait, what was I gonna do again?
Red says ready for 0.001 ETH.
Oh yeah, check news. Oh yeah, you had news here last night. Yes, yen news.
Got weekly resistance too. I don't know if I want. It's rough. I think the 1 hour above like 15724. There's like a 15 pip range on the 1 hour there. That's what I got on GJ.
Those yen news at 405. Let me see. What time is this candle at? 4. You know what's crazy? We had news. This is unexpected news. Like, this wasn't like no folder, right? But it's just crazy that it matches with the daily analysis. Like, if I didn't know there was news here, which I didn't know, I would have just took it as it is. Like, oh wow, yeah, price came up, daily starter play came up and continue up.
I don't think you would really needed to. The only thing you need to know about the news there was to avoid the initial volatility. But
yeah, Paul LeBerry, what's going on?
What's up, boys?
It's goody. You hopped off early yesterday. We didn't see.
Yeah, I ended up hopping off because I started charging up for NYSE for US30. Yeah, I'll normally hop off the stream around 9:30 to get ready for US30 and NAS for market open.
Yeah, we
I saw you guys caught that gold.
Yeah, I think someone else, I think Mark caught the thing with you, the US30 buys, right?
Yeah. It took a little bit to play out, but it ended up playing out.
It came up towards that resistance, right? Let me check. Yeah. So clean.
Yeah. still a little bit more. It's gotta go up. But
Yeah, if it closes above 35,800, should be good.
yeah,
And you have interest. Yeah, interest rates today. No, not interest rates.
CPI.
Core CPI. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's at 830. Did you guys hold that goal for your runner?
Yeah, we closed full at 20 pips.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
That thing
At the peak.
flew, man.
Yeah, it flew. News is BS. Price will go where it must. Yeah, that's why I'll say like 80% of the time I see news play over fundamentals, or not. Sorry, no. Fundamentals plays over technical analysis. 80% of the time. That's why I don't really look at news. You know, to be honest, like there's news usually. Like today we have core CPI, but we're not really trading news directly. We're just taking advantage of the volume that's gonna come in during news. Going with the bias, right? We'll give 1 ETH to someone who doesn't. That was not worth it, 1 ETH. That'd be dope though.
With like 0.1. 0.1 ETH. How long do you think it would take?
I think last year, the beginning of the streams, like January, we took impulse entries. I think we stopped taking impulse entries like mid February or something. And we learned about fake outs in February. So we weren't like really like locked in. We didn't really improve the strategy until maybe mid the year. So the run rate wasn't, it was probably still up there, but I don't think it'll be as high as like the second half of the year. Let's see. Let me go on last year's streams.
When did we start doing the record? Was that November?
Nah, it was April.
April.
April's dope. Oh, but July was pretty clean. What's your record in July? Current win streak was 17, or yeah, it was like 17 or something. And this is when we started. Yeah, like, this is when like, yo, we gotta keep track of this because like it's been pretty
crazy win streak.
Yeah, it was just like what trade is this? There's no bottom wick here, Don. Oh, there was a little wick.
What am I doing? I'm in a bed.
Yo, I think you're at your girl's house or something.
Yeah, I think I was it. Yeah. That's funny. That's look at that. That's what we do now though. Like a small bottom wick, wait for the break of the high. Like it's similar.
It's similar, and this is our second. This would be a second entry.
I don't know if you would take that now. That was aggressive.
Slight bottom wick. This is June. June we had timestamps. Yeah, there was no record in June. It was what was our win? What was our win streak for that? I think it was 17. July 29. Record on stream for July like 13 and 3, something like that.
Need someone to do all 12 months and then do a yearly recap.
What show is this? This is kind of chalked. Oh no, it was off of the This is the fake of onion back into the range. The 3rd minute. Yeah. Look at your hat, bro.
I was probably subconscious about my hair.
Sick.
The good old days, man.
Oh no, sorry, that goal battle was not today. No, this goal battle was yesterday. I gotta delete that. Thank you. That was yesterday at 10 p.m. Trade's called. Let's go in. Take that out as well. I love trading. I love streaming too. At one point last year I was kind of exhausted, burnt out, but that 2-week break was a refresher. Needed that one. Yeah, no, for sure. Like news is definitely a factor. My technical analysis, like I take into consideration. Like you have news today, of course, CPI. I know what they're expecting, right? I'm looking at the numbers, and they're expecting to come out mixed. They're coming out with I think it's good numbers, and then they're expecting bad numbers for CPI. So good numbers for unemployment claims and bad numbers for CPI. Therefore, numbers will come out mixed. The issue is we don't take like direct trades off of news though. Like we're not gonna have baskets and stuff, but we just take advantage of the volume that's gonna come in, because 8% of the time we notice that fundamentals play out technical analysis, or even higher than that, like 9% of the time. That's what we see. Because look at this, like even this daily candle on GJ, like we expected it to drive up today off of the daily time frame rally before London even started, like pre-Asian. We saw how the daily candle closed, and you would expect it to drive up with the weekly time frame being bullish. Like this weekly candle that we drew out on Monday had nothing to do with that unexpected news. Like how would I be able to know that was unexpected news today? I wouldn't, right? I drew this kind of off of just technical analysis, and then news kind of came in and they play along with the technical analysis as well. Little factor to that. like archery. Yeah, like you've been making this yesterday. Like the moment we started making this, like even Reza pointing out, he's like, yeah, like this just shows like how detailed the strategy is. Like so much goes behind it.
Good morning.
What up, Mark? What up, Wick son? Y'all came at the same time. What's going on?
I had to high five in the kitchen first.
New mojo.
I was asking him how this new sweater looks on me.
Let me see that. Okay. Is that a little graffiti action?
Yeah.
It's kind of fire.
Trying to be cultured for the young ones.
For young ones.
You know, Nuke.
Who's the young ones?
I don't know. The only person on here younger than you is Nuke.
I'm not young no more. I'm kind of old now.
You're not even allowed to rent a car on your own.
Kind of old now, man.
You need like parents to rent a car right now.
Yo, I got like 2 months till I turned 22. That's a scary number.
Nah, I always used to say this, 22 is the number where it's literally the same as 21. There's nothing changes.
Really? Okay, so what changes?
Yeah.
23 is when it changes?
23, you're like, damn, am I like, should I probably move out?
Nah, but like...
Don't do it.
No, but like 23... No, you know what? When I reach like 20, 25, 20, 26, that's when I'll...
24.
So that's when you'll move out?
He's gonna move in with me.
Yeah. What up, Hyder? My bones hurt. You're 22?
It's because you set your computer from 11 to 4 today. Get up.
5 hours. Go touch some grass, MM. Go touch some grass.
Facts, go touch grass. The student in Discord yesterday was like, I only trade for 3 hours. This morning he goes, I've been at my computer for 5 hours.
Marco's gonna teach you how to do NFTs.
I said it 100 times. Why are you in all caps?
He's yelling at you. He's really far away. Maybe you don't hear him.
There you go.
Yo, Wix, like that PC is just running to your left. Like, don't you feel the heat and the radiation just on your face? That's not good, to be honest, though. Having that next to you like that.
That shit is. What do you mean?
Like that heat, like from the PC, just go on your face.
The heat. You know how cold it is? Like an AC. It's pumping out so much cool
Oh
air.
yeah, my bad. You got 1,000 fans. Forgot. But don't those lights bother you? Those lights will burn my eyes.
If I switch these fans the other way, this PC will fucking lift off. If I place them the other way. Now you know what it is? I just haven't had like I'm too lazy to open this thing because there's a way to like switch all of them. I haven't downloaded the software that controls all that shit.
Oh yeah, it's called
But there's the thing, every manufacturer's got like I got Fantech fans and like they have their own software, and then I got the streamers, the wiring that's lit up right here.
Mm-hmm.
Like this little shit. This little see the stripes right there? The wired stripes, they have their own software which you have and they have a remote attached on the inside.
It's a lot of lights, bro. Honestly, like my PC doesn't even face me, so I can't even see my lights. I gotta turn them.
Yeah, no, my room is dark as hell, so like right now these lights is all right. But like you come in here at like 4 in the morning.
Yeah, your lights are burnt.
It's like, damn, where's the DJ? Music's here. Where's the DJ? Lights are here. I gotta change. I'm gonna change the shit to white, just plain white, because my case is white.
My case is white too.
Well, hold on, I'm gonna choose.
Caught out on gold this morning. Thought daily was about to flip. Let me see where. Let me see. Daily flip. Was it? Oh, that was a nice Asian session trade kind of right there, but price pushed up. Where is it? Over here, maybe? Is that where you got in? This wasn't bad. This here wasn't bad because you're expecting this range to get filled, right? However, I mean, it did get filled. How big is that range? That was a 6-bit range. Yeah, so by the time you tap that resistance, you want to move slots to break even, then let the rest run because you're expecting the rest of the range to get filled as well. But obviously would hit break even. Let's see. So good.
If anyone's selling their stream deck, I want to buy it.
This, no.
Found one for $128 yesterday.
Yeah, I think they're around there.
And the brand new one's like $250.
Elgato stream deck. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, I can make more use of it, but I don't. I just have my.
I know. I saw yesterday. I was looking at video of what people do with them. Like you could do a lot of shit.
Right, you can make a whole computer with them. You can code a whole Excel with them. It's
No,
just hotkeys. That's why.
Wix 9 keyboard looks like the shit you get in school, like when they just teach you. Shit's missing like 4 keys. This is why I don't do 15 lots, chat, because I'm missing the 5.
Wow, I just saw a 4 count on gold, guys. I just realized. Wow, this 4 count close below the range here. Looks like we're gonna come down to fill this wick.
Or was it a range 2?
Yeah, it is. It's a range 2 below right where we are right now, 1831. We have a 30 seconds left for a closure with no bottom wick. Great, we're not getting in. Yeah, we're not getting in. Yeah,
So bad.
yeah, no bottom wick. If you had a bottom wick, potentially I would have been
Look
in
how
there
this one opened.
perfectly too. If you had a bottom wick there, if you have a sell stop right here, right now, oh wow, that'd be a great position.
1 hour looks so clean too, but now we gotta wait 29 minutes and 59 seconds.
37 seconds. That's okay.
Wordle?
Wordo? Is that too early?
Now we
wait
need to get
for
our
it.
brain flowing. The brain juices.
All right, I'm covering the chat up.
Me too. All right, chat, bye.
All
X
right,
out.
I'm gonna do peace again. Okay.
Peace.
Yeah.
One of these days, that's gonna be the
We
word.
gotta start putting trade, so it's on brand.
You think peace is good? No, it's 2 E's. That's not good.
Yeah.
Trade.
Trade's
Yeah.
not bad. Okay,
Okay.
the last letter is the A. I mean the E. One of the letters is the A. So, what is it?
Oops.
Can be parade. 6 letters.
Range. Oh no, R.
No R. No RTA. D.
Gauge. Gauge.
Rage.
No, gauge. Be 2 G's though. I don't know if you want to guess 2 G's.
No, I only. I think. I think 2 G's is just. You know. We need to guess words with like letters in them first, like a single letter. Wait, we're flipping bearish on gold. Woo. I feel like doing this on stream is just so.
ABOVE.
What word?
Above ABOVE.
ABOVE.
That one.
Above. I mean, solid. Wow, nothing happened. Okay, so the A gotta be the second letter or the fourth letter.
All right. Time to guess gauge. At least you'll know if it's the fourth letter or the second letter.
GD. No, I want to get. Okay, hold on. This. I think. You guys do it yet today? Oh no, you guys didn't do it
The
yet.
chances of it being the second to last are very slim. It's most likely the A is the second letter.
Yeah.
Cause it won't. Yeah, it won't be. It can't be AE. That's just like
It can be, but there's only a limited amount of
Yeah.
words.
probability shows that it should be the second letter.
Exactly. That's what I was gonna say.
So-
I'm just playing probabilities.
Yeah, like probability shows that gold should continue down here.
What I really want is a bullish candle respecting. Now that we have a bottom wick here, a bullish candle respecting that support. That
I want. Oh, like
for it to turn resistance. Yeah, we might get a celery play.
I want the closer exactly like that, just so the 1 hour is perfect.
Like
Just don't
this?
look-
What's
And
the stops on the 1 hour? Yeah,
oh,
that's what I
if
want.
it closes like this, and then the 1 hour closes bearish below the range, and then we get a 30-minute start
Exactly.
play, right? Yeah.
If it respects that resistance, so you'll still get a 1 hour closure below, but this way you'll have a support form below the
Yeah.
range. And then once we break that support, so if we're breaking out of this range and closing below, and then we're forming another support, and then we're breaking that support right here, that's the celery play, we're gonna have nowhere to go by 1828.48. That's the next stop. So this would be a range 2 breakout. It would fall in line with the higher time frames, and it'll actually give us an entry. So no trigger fingers yet, chat. We're almost there. Let it want it to close like this, like exactly where it is right now, like that. If it closes the way it is right now and then breaks its own low, we're gonna be in there on the break of the previous candle low.
It makes perfect sense too, because you have no bottom wick.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
And the hourly would close actually below there too. So it would be the next hourly basically breaking this hourly.
I'm looking left. That's clean traffic. 4 hour kind of re-breaking. Yeah, that's clean. Solid. Yeah. PAR.
Pause. Pause. Nope, with the U.
Can you type here? Oh, you could type. P-A, makes sense. U is not there. S is E. That was bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I can't do this.
I had the U on gauge, so if we did gauge the second time, that would have been so easy. I'm telling you. If we did
Yeah,
gauge,
G-A-U, G.
that was easy.
That was pretty. I don't know why I can't do this whenever people are doing it with me.
What was chat guessing? Yeah, I feel so accomplished.
That was quick.
Someone said Marcos read the chat. Oh, thanks. I knew that was gonna happen if I guessed it right. Someone would be like, read the chat. Actually, no one even guessed it. Oh no, yeah, 4 Hour Don't Lie did.
I should guess peace, bro. Like imagine you guess peace is like okay.
Yeah. Peace was good.
The A is in it, and then we'll know like the E's in it, and we're like okay, what else is there? Just pause.
Someone said page. It's 4 letters.
I'll start. I do.
Push P. I thought you can't guess non-words. Or is that a word?
I don't know. I think that's a word. Yeah.
Odd you. That's cheap.
Dude.
That's a boring.
Like goodbye.
I wouldn't want to do like these like not glitches but like exploits.
Well, that was a waste. What are we gonna do now from 9:30 to 11?
You can't play again.
You can play archives, like we can play older versions, like the ones that came out, like because the ones from the first ones that came out, but they're pretty hard. I'm pretty sure they got easier as the days went by.
People started complaining.
Yeah, and it started popping off though the moment it got easier because people can actually do them now. Like people like me can actually do them. So
People like me.
yeah. What are we doing here? Oh yeah, trust the stream. I got you guys. This is TP hit 6, 13 wins, 2 break evens, 3 losses. Stop loss on the previous candle highs. Enter on a break of its own lows at the time. Close 7% when 10 pips hit and starts to break even on 8 pips. Nice. Closing partials because it's getting to a 4 support and third candle off on the top. Like, oh, that's good management. This is
Already
key.
hit TP6.
This is
What
this is key.
TPs?
This is really key. TP6? Where?
On top it says TP hit 6.
I don't know what that means. I just know that 13 wins, 2 break
That's a
evens.
lot of.
No, I mean even like trades that hit TPs, like actual TPs, not like just wins.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Yeah, that's
That's a lot of trades for today.
Yeah. What else is there? Next charts. Ford Online want to see his chart. Looking for an onion or closure above. Yeah, I'm looking for the exact same thing. I want a closure above or an onion. My resistance is a little higher though on GJ. It's like above the resistance to the left. Somewhere looking left is a resistance above here. I have it marked up there instead. And also the Brigadels highs that I have for GJ above 157 here is also going to be, or above 157.249 is also the daily candle re-breaking its own high too. So
I was gonna say it's another thing when people just start trading or like, start charting and learning how to do price action. They don't really like scrolling too far back, and you need to go find the level. Like the level Don has on his screen right now is a lot more legitimate than the level that's on the chart. There's nothing wrong with the chart, but you gotta really go back and see if you're gonna hit any traffic. If price action might reject here for any reason, and find a more valid resistance. Spend your time, go back in the chart, go through the time frame, spend your time flipping through the 1 hour and the 4 hour and the daily and 30-minute, making sure they all align and that they're all in one direction, telling you parts of the same story. You understand? They're telling you different stories. You're looking at 2 separate things. You want to be able to tell one story from all the time frames and from all the supports and resistances to kind of narrow it down to what you need.
Where's this chart saying? Range 1, range 2, sells below here, closure, bias is bullish for a day. Same thing I have, right? Yeah, same thing I have. Bullish is initially biased today, or bullish is initially biased today. The bias is bullish today. And bias above their closure. Yeah. Where was that my level marked up at? That was 1835.59, 1835. Yeah, around there. Yeah, I think I have mine above as well, a little above because I have a resistance right here. Taking on buy above here wouldn't be that bad, but you gotta worry about that resistance as well. I'd rather just wait for closures above 1836 instead. Better than that. It's a clean chart, clean 2 charts you have there. What's this one? Nice ranges. Buys above after closure, sells below here after closure. Range 1, range 2 sells below there, clean, solid. And then clean range, buys above here after closure, sells below after closure. Yeah, range 1, range 2, sells would be below here, clean, solid. Uh-oh, gold's coming back up. The importance of not having a bottom wick, right, chat? If we had a bottom wick, don't get me wrong, we'll be in. We'll have our stops, which would have been activated, and then, but since you have no bottom wick, just indicates that it's a less probable chance that we're gonna drive down.
Take a look at the 1 hour. Would you move your support up?
Yeah, I would. I would.
1832.
If the 1 hour closes below there instead, yeah. That 4 hours is clean. Look at the 4 hour candle.
Yeah, daily. Driving bearish.
Yeah. CPI is gonna be a huge factor today on how prices gonna close for tomorrow.
It's gonna be tough to take at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock 1 hour trade. 1 hour candle trade. Because your trade can be valid at 8:30 and then you're on red folder news and then you're screwed.
Yeah, if you're too close to news, then we're gonna have to wait till like 8:45 or a bit after news.
Yeah. Would need like opening with no bottom wick and then enter on like a flip like 8:05.
Yeah.
Because if it's like 8:15, it's obviously not a good idea.
Yo, you seeing keyboard in the chat, Wix?
Yeah, I just replied. It's a Microsoft though. I got a Logitech. Shh.
Didn't feel comfortable about the trading stream, so I waited for my setup and caught the 4 hour start reply. The confirmation I needed, stick to your logic and be confident in your decisions. Good rest of the day. Yeah. Yeah, Chad, just because I take positions on stream doesn't mean you should too, right? You want to take positions that you're comfortable with. And if this is a position that you're comfortable with, the fact, then you took it and you played out in your favor. It was exactly as you expected and planned out for. So you weren't shitting your pants in the trade. Whereas if you were to take my trade and you didn't know what was going on, you would have shit your pants. And that's not a good feeling to have when you're in a trade. Or a healthy one. All y'all do is eat off downvote, to be honest. I'm talking about the guys in Zoom. What do you mean? They take their own trades. We have the same ideas. there'll be days where like Wick's not there, see like Wick's not point something out, and I'll be like, oh, I see the same thing, and we take the same trade. But like they're not copying me. It's just we trade similar, and that's why they're on Zoom, right? We trade similar. Everyone has different entry points. Like there'll be times where I might not agree with Wicks or Marcos, you know, but
It's extremely rare.
yeah, extremely rare. Like we usually see the same thing.
Gary must be new here.
Yeah. We have the same thoughts. Like, yo, if Wick's not where he's pointing out right now, and he would say the first like 2 words of the sentence, I would know exactly what he's talking about or what he's gonna talk about. It's just
I mean, it happens often where I'm talking about something and Don's just drawing it out.
yeah. Like right now, what are you thinking about?
Me? Pizza.
Ah, knew it. Told you guys. Pineapple? You're from Florida. You definitely eat pineapple on pizza.
No, that's disgusting. My girl does, and then I have to be.
I
like,
love
I have to be
pineapple.
like,
I love
"Look,"
Hawaiian.
I tell her I'm gonna divorce her every time she gets it. I'm like, like, look, I dare you to bring this home. You're gonna get served papers. I dare you. It's disgusting. Pineapple doesn't belong on a pizza. All right, I've just triggered chat. Let's go. Bring it on. Bring it on. No, I'm a pepperoni guy.
Pepperoni? Kind of
yeah.
boring.
Yeah, I'm more like, no, bring me a pepperoni pie and leave it for the kids. Be like, I want 20 buffalo wings, spicy as hell, so my kids can't touch them.
You want those? I can't eat spice. I can't eat a lot of spice. It's too much. I can't enjoy it. It's just like, what's the point, bro? I'm like struggling to eat it.
What do you mean? I mean, I don't know. I'm fine with it. It's got to be a good type of spice.
Like I like Buffalo Ranch.
Yeah, I've been getting this truffle hot sauce lately, and it's delicious. Truffles make everything taste better.
Yo, that's a nice RR. That's a good RR. That's like a 1601 RR. Solid. What's this? A penguin? Yo,
Marco's
what are
about
these
to get
these
hit with the hammer?
what are these tools on TradingView? Do they have it? Where can I find that?
Wait, where's the hammer?
Oh, you have tools right here. Oh wow, I did not know they had that.
What is it?
Some tools you have here on TradingView.
Oh, you don't know the house method? You place the little camera emoji in the house emoji. Yeah.
Damn, that's kind of cool.
What is that?
What's the point of this? Yeah, like what's the point of this? To decorate your chart? I got Windows. Where's the Apple logo? There's no Apple. Oh, there's an Apple logo. Like, what's the point of this? This is kind of useless. Like this is okay. These things are okay. Like you're showing I don't know whatever. But you know, clean traffic. Cool. Well, that's cool for clean traffic. But like the rest of this is like, I don't know.
Licorice pizza. It's disgusting. I threw up a little after hearing that.
Do you remember which stock you're trading? 10 minutes left for a closure. Can GJ close bullish or break the 1 hour highs here? You caught anything last night, Wick?
Some sleep, yeah.
You weren't up for London or anything?
No, I fell asleep at like midnight on the dot.
I felt about 10. Or no, 11. Woke about 5 though. Not bad, 6 hours. The night before was 3 hours. It was really bad. But
Yeah, no,
yesterday I had
bet.
3 hours straight. I had 3 hours sleep. I did a 4-hour stream and I didn't sleep till 11.
No, I've been a single father for like a week. You Get them dressed, feed them, take them to school, pick them up, take them to the park, put them to bed, give them lunch, dinner, breakfast. It's been crazy.
Hey, Wick, this cell's not looking lovely here.
It's gonna come out the way we drew it up. Watch.
Starting to tap this amount of resistance makes sense. Even if
We have
though,
we have the advantage of this wick that was created now in this current candle.
yeah.
I want the hourly though to close. It's got to close below there for it to be.
The 1 hour support is a little different though. Like Marcos was pointing
Yeah,
out earlier, it's like
a little
right
higher.
here. Yeah.
You get
On-
it like that, then get the hourly flip will be solid too.
I think what I'll do here is if the 1 hour closes like this, I'll have a 30-minute starter play. I'll put a stop below here. Thing is, you're missing out on maybe what? How big of a range is that? Like 9 pips? Oof.
Yeah, you're gonna go break even by the end of that wick. Well, we'll see.
Interesting.
Might not even get a closure. Let's see how it closes. Let's not guess. Let's not assume. We all know what happens when you assume, chat, right?
Yeah, you assume the market consumes you.
When you assume, you make an ass out of you and me.
What I just watched, The Big Short movie.
Oh, you watched that recently?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I watched it.
Pretty old.
I never watched Wolf of Wall Street though, but I watched that.
Wolf of Wall Street's more like a
Meme.
Comedy.
entertainment, whereas
Yeah.
I think The Big Short is like actually like an important movie. It
Yeah.
is fun, but I think it's an important movie.
The Great Recession.
Yeah, you learn something.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good movie.
I didn't realize how many good actors were in it. It's kind of stacked. I mean, at the time they weren't all like mega popular actors, but they ended up being that way.
Hold on, why is it bad that the bears cannot close with no bottom wick for gold? What does it mean when you say there's no range? No, a wick is a range, right? So when you don't have a wick on a candle, it means that there's no range to drop down. It doesn't mean necessarily that there's no way of it driving down. Like this candle could have still drove down here. It's just a lower probability of it driving down here. It's probably why you see this candle struggling here right now. This candle here came back up and started driving down as we close below the range. I would explain to you the full concept, but it's a kind of a long explanation. I explain it a lot, so just do wick fill, exclamation point wick fill, and that's the concept behind no wicks, etc.
And go to reading candles backwards so you can understand how ranges are formed.
Is there a wick fill? What's the command? Oh yeah, how wicks get filled. There you go. Yeah, you want to click on this, cause yeah. So this wick right here is basically a range being formed. Why? Because that wick is this.
Oh, you have that in the same one. Learn to read candles.
Yeah, that's all in the same one. Yeah, learn to read candles backwards. Understand why candles leave wicks. Understand why we get wick fills. So that wick is a range, right? Because the first 3 candles were bullish and the last candle was closing bearish to create that wick, right? So within those wicks, it's a range. Range created, resistance grid. On a 15-minute, all price is doing is closing bearish, creating support. So when price comes up to fills out wick, on a smaller time frame, all it's happening on a 15 again is his price creating support to drive back up, continue up, and that's what a wick fill is. Yeah, pretty simple concept. Actually, I take that back. Not a simple concept because it took us a long time to figure that out. I don't know what I was on that day, what I was doing that day, but when I figured that out, I felt like I was like, wow, there's a lot more FX than I thought. But that kind of introduced me to everything else. Like after I figured that out, it was learning about fake outs and ring counts backwards. Like ring count backwards is very useful, super useful.
They're not difficult concepts to grasp. They're just difficult concepts to realize or to come to, and these realizations are like products of many years of struggle where you have like an aha moment. Oh shit. But they're not difficult concepts to grasp. It just takes the trader to realize a while, like what they're actually looking for. What kind of exploitation of the market can I see? Like when people are like, yeah, exploit the market, find what can what you can take advantage of. Just show up every day, see what's happening, and take advantage. But like, what do I look for? Like, how can I exploit it? Like, and these little nuances are hard to notice.
It's hard to
Bullish
notice, but once you
candle.
notice it, you can't see it. Like I can't see it no
Yeah.
more. The whole concept behind no bottom wicks, no top wicks, it's always gonna be there for me.
You don't even need to go through like a list of things that you need for a trade. It's yeah, you can't unsee it. You look at the chart and you realize that what you're looking for isn't there, or what you see is probability wise isn't worth it.
Ranges are kind of small today on gold. Loss. Weird.
If you couldn't take a sell if it didn't create a bottom wick, would it be a good idea to take a buy? No, because the bias. Okay, so I wouldn't take any buys here. The bias today is bullish, right? I won't take any buys today until maybe you break above 1836 here. Because actually this range isn't bad to catch, but you need this 1 hour. You need a 1 hour closure back into the range here or something. A bullish candle closure at support here to drive up. We don't have that yet, right? So right now we're looking at range 2 sells. Just because you have no bottom wick, it doesn't mean that you gotta take a sell or buy. For me, it just means that I'm gonna stay out of the position. I'm not taking any at all. I'm staying out, waiting for the next candle to close. So right now we're waiting for this third minute candle to close to see how we close. We want to close exactly where it is right now. That'll be a perfect closure because it's gonna close respecting this resistance. And if it does that, then the 1 hour candle will likely drive down as it closes below that support as well, and you get a 1 hour wick fill to drive down. I understand the concept, but on what sort scenario the wick fill can be expected? Well, the wick fill can be expected on any candle. Like, for instance, in this scenario right here, right? I would expect the next candle. Yeah, go on.
It's not just about expecting the wick fill, or because there's a wick on every single candle that's forming. 85-90% of the candles that are forming, there's going to be a wick. You gotta see in which instance, in which situation, is there a wick fill forming that's worth you taking, probability wise, risk reward wise, if there is, or setup wise. So you have to see. There's got to be a direction. There's got to be a setup. It's got to give you entry. The RR's got to make sense, and then you could see if you can take advantage of the wick fill when it comes to risk management and moving stops and taking advantage of the wick versus taking the break of the wick. It's little intricate nuances that you can't just learn. These things, these things aren't taught; they're experienced. To teach you the concept, but the experience of and realizations. You have to be on the charts and see what's going on, and actually go through those instances, not be told, oh, in this instance, you'll never learn anything like that. In that instance, in this instance, do this, do that. You have to drive the car. You can't just be the passenger. You got to actually drive the car in order to learn, get your license, reap the rewards.
Yeah.
You'll realize the wick fills happening as as you get more experience, and as you realize what kind of setups you're getting, what kind of momentum, what kind of volume is coming in, and you'll see what wick fills are worth taking and which ones aren't.
Yeah, like what's that said? There's 85% of the candles have wicks on them, right? So like whenever we look at wick fills, we're not looking at a candle back in like June, July. Oh, that candle must get filled. That wick must get filled. We're usually looking at the most recent candle. So, for instance, like this 1 hour candle right here, right? Yeah, there might be a wick fill here, but we gotta close below this 1 hour support first, and then that'll lead us to the next candle, create a top wick like it is right now. And then once it flips bearish, it should come down to fill that wick. So, which is what I'm maybe looking for here actually. So we have the candle here coming out, creating a steep wick. It closed below the 1 hour support here. So how did the 30 minute candle close? 30 minute close. Oh yeah, close was way bullish. 1 hour wick fill. How big are stops there? 10 pip stop. That's a 10 pip stop, really? Gold 10 pip stop. That's pretty rare. And then TP is gonna be like 30 pips here. It's not bad. Let's see, if we don't break the highs, it will be valid. If you break the highs, then there's no sells, obviously. May have a sell stop here, chat, on the break of that 1 hour low. The 1 hour candle closed below the range, right? This is the first closure. These candles all have wicks here. Wicks, rejection. This is the first closure. And can you have volume? And price should be able to drive down here. The only thing is it's a bit closer in news there. You have news in about 20 minutes here, so you want to be out before the news candle actually plays out. But with the way price action looks pretty solid for positions.
1831.60.
1831 point. Is that how it is in Trism, man?
That's what I have.
Yeah. South South's right here, chat. 1831.72 on this Oana broker. Oops. TP chat, if we come out to break the highs, I'm gonna delete the sell stops. TP 1828.482. Stop loss is gonna be the previous kind of high. Stop loss is only 10 pips. That's pretty rare. That's a rare stop loss, especially on a 1 hour candle on gold too. Pretty rare stop loss. All right, we're looking to see if once you go break even, we're probably looking to go break even around this wick fill here. Once you fill that wick, we'll be 10% profit. We'll be filling the wick, and you would be expecting this candle to drive further down as we're breaking the lows as well on a wick fill. Once you fill that wick. But if you break the highs here, we're gonna delete the sell stops. It came very close to breaking the highs. It made a new top wick, and now it's starting to flip bearish here. So that's when our flip should be solid. Two entry type is gonna be flip after. Yes, have sell stops or no?
Yeah.
6-2. Just adjusting it.
No, I'm not taking it.
Solid.
I think I don't feel. I mean, it's not according to my plan because I mean, it's for me. I feel like it's gonna be too close to news.
Yeah, I can get that.
Depends when we activate.
Yeah, because I don't want it to like. Let's say we range like this within this candle for the next 30 minutes, and then news opens up, we dip bear, and there's all of a sudden pull up bullish.
I would just close.
Yeah, this is gonna be closed out. The sell stuff's gonna be closed out if we start getting really close to news. But if it activates within the first 15 minutes here, I'll be in it.
Yeah, I think
if we get to 8:15,
10 pip stops. It's the risk here is minimal, and
this is weird.
Closure.
It's very weird. 10 pip stops. That's not like we're increasing a lot. It feels like a very, very low risk trade.
yeah, we're not increasing a lot here, but
I'm uncomfortable with a 10 pip gold stop. Feels weird.
Feels very small. Feels very rare.
Yeah, feels more comfy.
Yeah. If it gets to like 8:15, like 8:10ish, I'm just gonna delete the sell stops because it'll be too close to news, right? And I don't want to be in a trade during news. We're looking to see if we can get out before news. That's what we're looking to do. If we can get out before news, and we break even before news, if anything.
Break this high, please. Come
on. Break this high. Come on. Yeah, the reason why we're deleting the sell stops if we break the highs as well, chat, in case you guys don't know, is if you break those highs, this trade becomes invalid as prices found support, and it looks like price may drive up to the top of the range at 1833 here.
Which wouldn't be that bad. The daily is bullish.
Yeah.
And on traders domain, it will reflip bullish if it breaks these highs.
That's a perfect opening though. Came up. Is that Paul LeBerry? Yeah, it's Paul. I go.
Is that the
Paul Berry? I think Halle Berry. Halle Berry. I like having all these extra faces on Zoom.
I know, it feels cool.
What up, Nuke?
What's good, bro?
Nuke's back. Nuke used to come on the stream all the time.
You took a break, didn't you?
Yeah, I took. It was like, so like June, May or June, I think around that time. I left the stream for like a month.
Oh yeah. 1 minute candle was bullish. Yeah, well, obviously the 1 minute candle was bullish. Where through 2 minutes in this candle, the first 5 minute candle came up. So yeah, it has to be bullish. Oh, here we go. Can we flip? Can we flip? Can we flip?
The 1 minute.
Oh, so close to activating. My stop chat is directly on 1831.60 on traders demand. So 1831.60. Coming close.
I got it. Man.
Coming close. Spreads are around 1.4. And it shows green. And we're in. Nice. Going to sell here, chat. Going to sell on this 1 hour candle. My stop loss is going to be the previous candle high, which is the 1 hour candle high for 10 pips. And the TP is going to be down here for a solid 30 pips. Okay. Once we come down to fill this wick here, we're going to move our stops to break even. That wick fill is going to be a minor support level that we got to worry about, but we're looking to get 10 pips during the wick fill. And at that point, we'll close half and all that good stuff. News is in about 15 minutes here. So we're looking to be out before news. But yeah, 10 pip stops. This trade went full risk. This is a 10 pip stop, no more risk. So it just went no more risk. I want to see also this wick fill here. This will give us a 30-minute start play. So once you break this low, it should be Chow Bella coming down towards the support level. Should be gone. Pushing. Where's Wick then?
Shit.
Says I'll leave when he's in the trade, eh?
He'll set the pending order and then go.
Yeah, always leaves us.
Do something he has to do and then come back.
Busy.
Did you get a .60 on TD or did it slip you down? I got 5.9.
Yeah, It's about like that's like what? Like that's like bro, that's like less than a pipette, bro. Yeah, that slippage is fine.
I'm calling customer service.
It's not like it's like a you I thought you said that as if it's like a like a 5 pip slippage or something. So less than a pipette.
I want my $5 back.
It's less than that. It's like a 5 cents, man.
No, 5 lot on a pipette. That's $5. That's half my Chipotle burrito. We need news. No, we don't need news.
What was your peace on? What was your reason? The reason was the 1 hour candle closure below the range. This trade based off the 1 hour time frame. We're not ready to 30, not ready to 15. Mostly the 1 hour and the 4 hour. With the fact that we closed below here in a 1 hour, right? This is the first time we've actually closed on a 1 hour candle. Looking left, these are rejections here. So closure below indicates volume, and looking left, you have clean traffic on price here, which we're expecting to come down and drive towards the support level right here. This is your main focus candle right here. We're expecting this candle to drive down and do exactly that candle did, which is fill the range. Something like this. All right. That was it. That was the reason behind the trade. Similar to yesterday's trade, not really. I think it was similar to I think these buys here, just GG buys from 6 days ago, probably. Just a simple breakout. That's it. Where's my playbook at? Let me find it for you guys. Alright, that's it. Just a breakout. I think it's a steep wick. Breakout, steep wick. Entry, stop loss, risk kind of high, and that was the trade. Push in. So if you get close to news, and like if it gets like to like 825 ish, 829 ish, depending on where we are, like if we're in profit by this, I may just close out the trade, because I'm expecting the trade to play out before news. I'm expecting the trade to play out before like 8:15 of anything, the next like 10 minutes here. And if it gets too close, I'm just gonna close on profit wherever it is, or if it's like near break even, I might just close at break even. But we don't want to be in a trade during news, obviously, because price can literally do anything. Price can come down or come up. Who knows? So regarding managing like stop loss and profit and all that, I may just be a bit more aggressive. I think once you come down towards here instead, 1831.076 is when I move my stops to break even, because that's a minor 30-minute support level, right around there. So an extra like 3 pips. What up, Easy? Thanks for $2 dono. Push fear, what's going on? This is an early trade. We haven't had an early trade in a while. It's been.
No, we have to wait till 10 a.m. every day.
It's been a long time. All our trades this month have been like 9:30, 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:15. First time I had 8 a.m. trade in a long time. Daily donation. Appreciate it, brother. You don't gotta donate, you know. But if you donate, I suggest you donate after a trade, you know, because then we're kind of locked in here, so we're just kind of focused on the trade. But appreciate it, brother.
You have music playing?
Yeah, you don't hear it?
No, I never hear it until you turn it
You
up.
hear it now?
See, that's some music. I wish I could hear that the whole time.
Can we get 10? Sorry, this is too loud for me. I'll adjust it. Yo, Stealthy Puma Gaming, appreciate it. Thanks for the 5. For always staying true to yourself. Cheers. Thank you. Chat, I'm gonna move my stops to break in right here, okay? We're tapping that minor 30-minute support here, so we're going risk free right around here, and let's see if we can get our 10 pips here. All right, so risk free trade, no risk on the line anymore. We're good.
Pushing. Oh, I got 7.
Yeah.
Got 7. After taxes, I got 4.
After taxes, I want to see if we can get 10. Yeah, it's like I'm like at 4-ish, like 5-ish.
I'm at
Chat,
5.
we're just a bit more aggressive with moving our stops to break even here, just because it's we're closer in news. So at around like the 6 pip mark was when I did it.
Good trade.
There's this minor support here, okay? What we really need though is we really need to break the lows. We need to break the 30-minute lows for this to really drive down here, because we might struggle here. This kind of might respect this support here and still flip bullish on the 30-minute time frame.
Ooh, I'm at 7, 8.
Yeah.
I think I tapped 8. We break the lows one more time. Just break that one.
50 on mine.
Nice.
Close 50%, 15-minute no bottom wick.
Oh, 15 no bottom wick. That's okay. I got like 8 and I didn't close anything.
No, I got like 6, 7.
Yeah, 15 no bottom wick, chat. That is not a good sign for this 30-minute candle. Might hit break even here, but again, that's why I manage risk. Will we survive a top wick?
Uh, we got some volatility now.
Volatility. Oh, there you go. 15-minute flip. Can you flip and break the lows?
15-minute flips. I'll close full if we get one more push.
Yeah, yo, you see what I mean, chat? Like, look, the 15 closed no bottom wick, right? And the 30 never broke the lows yet. So this 30-minute candle could technically still flip to drive up. It can still flip. We really need to break the 30-minute lows for it to be like really, really, really valid to drive. Until you see that hard push of volume, push price down.
It has a little nipple wick.
Yeah. You know what would be fun to do? If there wasn't slippage, it would be fun to have a break-even trade and hold it past news. But with slippage, anything can happen.
Yeah, if we were like, if we got like 15-20 like before news, and then just like chill.
Yeah.
That's like yeah, it's just like you said, even the slippage, like even if you're at stops at break even, like you're gonna, if it hits that, like you'll get smacked.
Yeah.
You'll be calling your broker nervous.
Oh shoot, here we go. Can we re-break the lows? 15 flips in the break? Come on. Break the 30-minute lows.
Nice, come on.
Can you break the lows? Struggling. I'm like 8 pips, not even.
I'm at 5-6.
Yo, Cake, if you're watching, I'll read your Discord DMs in a second. I'm just in this trade here, but I'll check out the playbook in a second. I see it. It's looking fire. Yeah, we're breaking the highs. There's no way.
Oh.
They didn't break 30-minute lows.
Even though it almost touched, you weren't down to close 50.
Well, I got like honestly the peak of that trade for me was like 7.5, 8. It wasn't even like nowhere near 9 or 10. Like usually if it's 9, yeah, I'll do it. But
Right.
if it comes to re-breaks the lows again, yeah, I'll do it. All right, there we go. Chat. I'm gonna close 50% of my positions right here at 10 plus pips, and I'm gonna leave a runner until TP now. Solid. Good trade.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Good trade.
Good job, everybody. That was clean. Yeah, it's just hard. I don't know. I used to close like half at like 7, and then you start factoring in like commissions. It just gets really low. You're really squeezing out the winners, you know?
Yeah.
I close full exactly 10.
That's a 1-on-1. Perfect.
Yeah, exactly. That's why too. 1-to-1 plus news. I mean,
Yeah, that's solid.
take it. Good trade. I mean, that was so clean. If there wasn't news, like that was so clean to just hold down to 1828.
That's solid. 30-minute broke the lows though, so you had that extra push of volume there. What was the peak in that trade? 12, 11?
I think I saw
12.
Closed, yeah, like 12.
11.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they're spamming W's, and someone goes, "Can you guys stop spamming, please?"
Yeah.
You want to stop?
Pardon?
I don't know. Probably new.
Stop spamming, he says.
No, the W's. I hear XTRs. Is that you? That your W spam? I can hear your keyboard.
Yeah, that's me.
Yo, chat. Spam the W's up for IG. I mean, I really want this run to play out, but if you have news here in 10, it's very unlikely we're gonna hit break. It's very high likely we're gonna hit break even here. Very high chance.
Oh, I'm crashing my computer. No.
Nice.
4-0 for the month.
Yes, we are. Alright, be back in 10 minutes.
Wick Snipe. I just came to say good trade. Bye.
Back down.
Watch out, I was talking. Yeah, I love self styles because it kind of gives everyone time to enter, and we kind of have a similar entry. Whereas if I market execute, like some people might have later entries. It's like a last second thing. It's like, yo, I'm market executing here, and there's like a delay on stream and stuff, so people can't really get their initial positions in. I want to see 30 pips here, chat. I want to see a TP hit here. That'd be great for us. Mark, did you get in there, Mark? Mark Nuke? I know Paul didn't.
Yo, bro, I got it. I closed full at 10 pips though.
Solid. Yeah.
It was in the hit news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, close full. Yeah.
Yeah,
Solid.
pretty cool.
I was fine with leaving half just because I went with my normal risk, right? So I didn't really have to go half risk on the traders. So I was close half. I was comfortable with that. Coming close to break even. This 15-minute has flipped like 6 times already.
Yeah, it has.
Let's see, what's the record? Monthly record is 4-0, and then the yearly record is 9-0 or 9-3. And then our trades today were gold sells plus 10 pips. Chat, if it comes down to the next 5 minutes here, if we don't, drive, I'm just gonna close full wherever it prices or break even. Okay, what day is it today? 2, 10, 22, gold, breakout, 1 hour. Was this the flip? Yeah, right.
Yeah, 1 hour breakout.
Current high or low. YouTube link is gonna copy this real quick.
About a 1 hour, huh? I didn't even realize.
Yeah, it's a 1 hour. The 30 minutes ugly. Look at the 30 and 15. They're both ugly.
4 1-hour trades this month and 4 wins.
What time was the trade taken at? Do you guys know? Was it 8? Let me check.
It was 8, 10, something like that.
8:07.
Yeah.
You use the candle open, like this hourly candle. We use it an hourly, so you can just go over time that candle open.
I would put money that our first loss this month will be on a lower time frame than the 1 hour.
Let's see. Add some stats to your journal. Where'd you add them? What's up with GJ? GJ's in the range here. Just wait for a breakout, right? Don't worry about what's happening in this range round because you're far from the breakout. You need a closure above 157.249 here.
Here you go.
What time is it? 23.
I think you'll get it. You'll get at least 20 before.
Oh no.
Yeah, you are. I got you.
Oh no, we gotta re-break this low here.
Call the market maker.
Hello, market maker.
TP. Can we get a TP? Can we get a TP, please? Pray. Kidding. Don't pray. What up, Miso FX? What's going on? I love miso soup. John Carter, what's going on? 7-Eleven, you know the vibes. Did I close full? No, I didn't. I closed 50% at 10. I'll close full in like a couple minutes here if we come close to news there. But how many pips are we in profit right now?
5-minute salary play.
Yeah, it just happened. Oh yeah, that's clean. We should drive down towards 829, 680 here. You know what? It's so close to news. I'm just gonna close full here. We're so close to news. We're like 5 minutes away. I'm just gonna close full here. 14. If it was the news, I would leave it, but I'm just gonna close full 14 pips there.
Oh no, 5-minute opens with no bottom wicks, gonna flip.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it.
Everyone try to give Don FOMO. It's really hard to give Don FOMO.
No, the reason is because it's a new 5, right? I know we don't look at 5s, but it's coming down in the news. It's new 5, and you're expecting this 5 to pull back here. And we're taking the risk that this 5 might pull back, but it might come up to hit our break-even point. So closing here just makes more sense as you're coming closer to news. Because yo, if we flip and create a top 1 to 5, it's gonna take a minute before his 5 flips again and re-breaks the low, and that might take the whole 5 minutes of the next 5-minute candle. So I don't want to be in a position where it's 8:29 and we haven't flipped yet. I'd rather close here with the best odds that we get secure full 14 pips here, then close later in like 8 pips, 10 pips in profit. You know, that was my thought process just now for closing full for news there. Does that make sense? So 14 pips, basically.
I was not expecting to wake up and get a trade before 8:30.
Me too.
They're in GJ. What? Oh, the 1 hour closure, I'm guessing.
Good trade, chat. Good trade, good management. Yeah, that was great management. This little thing right here was, I mean, it can still flip and drive, but no reason to be greedy before news. Just call it. That'd be a great runner for news if there was news. Amazing runner. Yeah, I closed full. I closed full already. Closed full. Yo, that's dope, chat. Look at this. This is a preview of the playbook. Look how sick that looks. Little preview of the playbook. Look at this. Start play. Oh man, that is clean. It's like a 50-page book. That's so clean. Yo, Cake, I appreciate it, man. He even drew like the ranges. He added much more details. This is clean. This is clean. This is dope. I can't wait, chat. But he said, like, I told him to like just take his time, and he doesn't have to finish it by tomorrow if he can't, because he's busy, right, with work and stuff. So if it doesn't come out tomorrow, it'll come out by the weekend or like latest like end of next week. But hopefully beginning of next week it'll be out. Maybe tomorrow though. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It's not up to me. I just don't want to rush into one though. I want, you know, to take his time. You guys have it? You guys will. Don't worry. You guys will have it. Don't worry. It'll be free to download on my website. Go on Playbook and it'll be here somewhere. Just make sure you guys sub first, okay? Sub to the website if you guys haven't done so yet. It's free. Just scroll down and subscribe here. Enter your email. All right, so what now, chat? Second trade. We might get 2 trades today, maybe.
More sells.
Yeah.
Gotta see how news plays out. I can see more sells.
But when I have that buy stop on, or that sell stop. It was at 8 a.m. Okay. Damn, everyone's subbing. L5 Pablo, thanks for subbing. Brett, Marcel, double 813, KHE. Thanks for subbing. I see you guys subbing on my phone here on the website. Let's predict CPI. What do you guys think? In 30 seconds here. I think it's gonna come out mixed. So they're expecting CPI numbers to come out I think positive. No, negative, and then they're expecting employment claims to come out positive. So if they're expecting CPI to come out negative, gold should go up technically. This just makes sense. What might happen is news comes out and then boom, and we're all the way back up. Who knows? Oh, there it is. TP has been spacked. Nice. Nice. So we would have been fine. We would have been fine. The full therapist would have been solid. That's good though.
More sells.
Yeah. I guess more sells rated, and we might get more sells below here later on.
18.5.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's
Solid.
Clean. Oh my goodness. Good
Clean.
night. Good night.
Clean. Nice. What does W mean? I knew it means a W. Like the W trade. Like, you know, like win. Whoa. Yep, that target got tapped. Okay, what's next support? Down here? Okay. 1822 can get tapped. If that breaks, then you're looking at 1817. This is great. Filling the ranges back up and back down. Last week we went up. This week we're going down. Nice. These are just some logical levels we may reject off of chat, or we need closures below for more positions. But this is all clean traffic. You just flying? Oh yeah, flipping bullish here. How are the 1 hour close?
Flying.
Oh, 30. Oh yeah, 30 close above the range.
Yeah.
I have my resistance a little higher than that, just a bit. So I kind of rejected my resistance, but yeah.
They flew 9 pips and then rejected.
Yeah. What's US30 doing?
Dumping. Everything's dumping.
Really? Oh shoot, nice. I mean, that's not nice. We want buys above here.
Yeah, I like the buys.
Those ranges are, yeah.
Nasty.
It's okay. Grass chat.
GJ 1 hour above. I could see that maybe, but at 9 or something like that.
Wait, where's Wick's 9? Is he like on his computer? You know? Yo, Wick's 9, did you close your trade out? Like, what's happening? So clean. How many pips is that candle? Candle 80 pips. Imagine we held. Nice. Big win, thank you. Yeah, if you guys left runners, whatever, congrats. I closed full at 14. I'm not sure where you guys did. How'd you guys do? Let me know in the chat. What'd you guys do in that trade? That was a 100 pip candle from wherever you entered. Was not expecting that at all. But yo, but do you guys see what I mean whenever I say like there's 85% of the time news plays out with tentacles? That was a great example right there. The 1 hour candle was all tentacle analysis. There was nothing fundamental about my trade there. And then 1 hour closed below and boom, news numbers came out. I mean, how did numbers come out here? Numbers came out positive, right? So numbers came out unexpected. Positive. The last, so yeah, our numbers come out good. So gold just isn't dipping there. Gold is dipping. But why is US30 going down though? That's my question. That doesn't make any sense. If the dollar's good.
It does that for news. It'll dump, and then when you wait around for 9:30, it'll correct itself.
Yeah, 9:30 you get that tentacle analysis that matches with it.
Yeah, it'll correct itself.
Interesting. So driving here, Chad. Chad, day's not done. Okay, if you guys think day's done, day's not done. There's plenty of opportunities left for you to take a catch and execute on. Just be patient. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Probably gonna wait for a 1 hour candle to close here, and then we'll get more positions a bit after 9. Okay, but look at the ranges going down. As long as this candle doesn't come down to like 1813 here, we should be fine for sells still.
Daily broke the lows. Weekly still has no bottom wick. Yeah, a lot of volume.
They broke the lows. Oh wow, yeah.
And the weekly has no bottom wick. Imagine, do we make a bottom wick today, tomorrow?
1817 may get tapped today. Oof, looks like we're coming down. Yeah.
Monthly was always bearish.
All right, monthly could still flip.
It's a lot of things in play.
We're the first week into the month. Yeah, this is interesting. This is gonna be good.
Weekly respected those highs.
The only thing I don't like about gold is when it comes down to these ranges there, below 1812. But anything above there is all clean traffic.
This 1 hour candle's so funny. It's 100 pips.
Damn. Keep pushing. You guys still holding? Who's still holding, chat? You drew the candle down, you to go? Hey. Did we draw the candle well? I think we did. We drew the one candle well, but I drew it down towards 1828. Not anything down here. I was not expecting price to go all the way down here. This is actually out of my book, out of my hand. Oh. Wow. That drop will continue to the 4 candle close. I believe so. Yeah, we have about 25 minutes or so. Why not, right? And the 4 candle is probably gonna pull back too and create a steeper wick. I would say the 4 candle, as long as you close below 1825.891, you should be good to drop down towards like 1819 here. The 4 candle. So I don't want it to drop down much more. I want it to just close like right below here, so we can get a next 4 candle that could drop down, which will give us the entry. More entries. Just be patient though. We took a trade already before news. No need to you know, jump back in just yet. Successful day, Marcos. Word of the day completed. Trade taken.
Facts. No losses this month.
Did you buy that egg yesterday or no?
I got delayed till today at noon.
Oh shoot. Part 2.
Got that at noon. Hit the gym, and then Arsenal plays at 2:45.
Arsenal?
Yeah, we're back.
The Leafs played today.
I don't want to start up the soccer talk, or chat's gonna start going crazy, and Don's gonna feel left out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Nobody watches that hockey stuff.
Hockey? Here, well, no one's from Canada here. Maybe like 3% from Canada. Wick's gonna have mad profit. No, I'm pretty sure he closed. I'm pretty sure Wick's not closed.
Imagine he comes back.
He's like, damn, 80 pip runner. God damn.
If he closed half, he would have a 3-lot running for like 100 pips.
That's so clean.
Quick 3K. Soccer, FWTF, it's football. Yeah, but this is an NA stream, so if I say football, people are gonna think NFL. I say football on Twitter and stuff, but on a stream that's mostly NA, you have to say soccer. I started. Here comes the talk.
Undefeated, never lost. Can we get it?
I'm undefeated,
Never lost.
I'm undefeated, never lost.
Yes, since you closed half and it was break even, why didn't you wait? Just wondering. Well, I didn't want to get slipped. I really didn't want to get slipped because news, you never know. Like it looks easy to say now. We could just held it, but honestly, even going back, I would have done the same the next day. You know, even if you drop down another 200 pips, I can care less for it. It's just so many variables can play out with news. You can get slipped. Market price can just push up and then come down. You know, whipsaw here and that. So I don't want to be in those situations. It's just a dangerous zone to be in. I just left it.
At the end of the day, it's gambling. I mean, if that went the other way, you got slipped 10 pips, we would have been like, why didn't you close knowing that this could have happened? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, we'd rather just take our secured trades and just leave the news to other people. Like, that's just not our forte. I thought about it in the past, unless it's like a speech, which we've talked about. Like a speech is different than like numbers, because numbers create these spikes, whereas a speech is more so driving the direction.
Yeah.
I'm getting roasted.
For being an Arsenal fan?
And for saying soccer.
How many hours of trade a day, including off stream? Lately I've been streaming like my off stream time too. So usually from 6:30 to 10, like 4 hours, 3.5 hours, 4 hours max probably. Yeah, usually I hop off stream around 9 and still off stream for like an hour. But now I'm just here for the whole thing. Cause chat's been pretty chill lately. You know, it has been good this year. The vibes are there. So. Damn, this is a huge wick fell if we close like this. Yeah, a lot of volume, chat. Don't worry, the volume's not going nowhere. You have a shit ton left in the next 30 minutes or so too. You have NYC open that hasn't even opened yet, so imagine when that opens up, you have so much. Wow, you start just close below. They're coming down below.
Oh,
The thing about US 30, it's good because yo, Paul, if you look at the daily time frame, it barely has a top wick. Like once it flips and re-breaks the high, it should be solid.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
this gold flip. That's crazy. 100 pips down, 100 pips up.
Nice again. Continues.
I love
Oh,
Oh my
now we might get buyers above this range here today too. Daily didn't break the lows. No, they did break the lows. Oh
did.
shit.
Good.
I don't even know.
Broke highs and lows.
I'm so glad we got our trade before news.
Yeah.
Still coming.
Wow. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. So glad. I'm so glad we trade the way we trade and we don't gamble. I'm waiting for gold buys. Yeah, the gold buy is like above 1836 here. Looking left, yeah, clean trap to 1843. So I wouldn't be surprised if Kansas whips drives up now. Like, I don't know what just happened with news, but you know, chat.
I guess we'll never know.
But look at this. 4 hour broke the highs. You have a 4 hour starter play right now as we speak. Daily candles re-breaking the highs again. Your best thing to do here is wait for 4 hour candle close. Chat, be honest. How many positions did you guys take just now? Within the last 30 minutes, how many positions did you take? Just let us know.
43.
43. You know, one position per minute. I know some people did that though. I know someone in the chat caught the sells and then caught the buys.
Someone said 4.
Somebody's hedging like crazy.
Yeah, someone hedging. 4? Okay, highest is 4. Don't lie though. Be real. 1, 2, 0. Damn.
I lost my profit.
Full scalp. Chat.
I'm undefeated.
30. I caught a quick buy for $700. Nice. Solid. What percentage is that though? We might know percentages, not money. Cake 420. Hey Cake, did you catch that? How Wick's gonna cry? Wick's gonna come back in 5 minutes here. Wow, we came back down. What's happening?
Wick's probably closed, by the way. Chat thinks he has the position open. I'm guessing he closed full.
This is what they call manipulation here, right?
What the heck is that?
This candle just shows. Oh my god.
Closes like that. Oh my god.
Can it just close doji? We can block it out and take another sell.
No, it comes down to this 4 hour candle here.
Yeah, just block
15
it out.
minutes.
It's gonna close doji. We block it out and take more sells. Like it was. We just repeat the trade.
There's a lot of blown accounts today for a fact. Yeah, a lot of blown accounts.
I don't know if I could touch gold again today. I gotta just.
GJ looking solid.
250
above that range.
Yeah, 15 pip range on the 1 hour.
This looks healthy. This looks toxic, man. This is that toxic, you know.
That's bad.
This is toxic right here. This is healthy though. This is really healthy. This is a healthy relationship. It's gonna last a long time.
There's no way you can trade that candle.
Yeah, like even stops, like
There's no way.
we're gonna have to wait till 10 a.m. probably.
Yeah.
NYC. What's your story doing? Oh, it hasn't flipped.
Still dumping.
Wow.
Bitcoin's dumping.
This counts as full margin, says in my playbook. I'm actually so excited to have this playbook out. It's gonna be insane. We introduced the starter play on a Train Up podcast, and now we have it in an actual book coming out. This is so sick. Yeah, I'm excited for the playbook too. I'll help everyone out, and also like whenever we have a playbook now, you guys can come back to like our trades that we take, and you guys can see which one is what. Like here, it says the setup type here, and then sooner or later it's gonna show like the image of what setup it is. Like if it's a breakout, it's gonna zoom in and show like where's the breakout. It's gonna show the breakout setup right next to it.
The sell replay.
So clean. Wow, our entries are off the 1 hour this year, or this month. Pretty surprised. Where are you posting this playbook? It'll be on my website. It'll be on Friday or this weekend. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys. It's not up to me no more. It's up to the person creating it. And I want them to take the time with it. I'm not gonna rush them, but it should be out this week. Yeah. Gold manipulation. 620 viewers. Can we break our record today? Our record is 720. Maybe. Still early in the day.
Relax.
Guys, we got all these viewers after the trade. It's because people didn't expect to get that trade before news. They saw that candle.
Hey, now Wordo, we did it already. We did a Wordo already. It was it took us 3 tries. It took Marcos 3 tries. Marcos got it for us.
My best one. I'm my first win. Who got it yesterday? Humor. Was it Paul?
Yeah, no, it was Wick9 who got it.
I would love to just take a nice GJ buy for 10 pips right now while all this gold stuff happens.
Wow.
But it looks like we're just gonna sit in that little range.
That's ugly, yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
The 4 candles then close in 11 minutes here.
When was the last time you took 2 trades on a stream?
Like 2 months ago? No, November. November, I think. It's been a while.
Yeah, it has been a while.
I remember one time I had like 4 trades on 3 trades on stream. Used to be a regular thing though. Back like used to be like 2 wins, 1 break even, or 1 win, 1 loss, 1 break even.
The question is, are you gonna risk profit, or are you just gonna risk regular?
I always risk regular. I treat every trade like the same. Like every trade's a new scenario. It's a new day, win or loss.
Well, bye GJ.
What's it doing? It's gonna close bearish.
Yeah, it's gonna close bearish.
I mean, Tata did a resistance. Makes sense if you start ranging.
Yeah, weekly and monthly resistance too.
If both 4-hour candles are gonna close ugly, in the next 11 minutes here, I might just call it a day at 9 a.m. There's no point of staying until 10 if we don't expect anything to happen. But let's see. I want 2 things here. I want this 4 candle to either close below 1828 here, or I want it to close below 1825.
1825, please.
Yeah, that's a huge wick fill.
That's the only line I got on my screen. It's 1825. I don't want to be in that like 1828 to 25 range. It's so choppy.
No, I'm very happy with 14 pips today, man. I'm very happy. Yeah, Marcos, how's it been for you closing full at 10?
Been good. I'm having well, I mean, we all are, but having a great month.
Wait, do you feel closing full is like, making more profits than?
Well, I mean, yesterday I said I was gonna close full, and I closed half, and then closed full at like 15. But I think it should be fluid. I don't think you should always do one or the other.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of trades where it's like almost foolish to close full. Like if you're using half risk and your TP is 30 and your stop loss is 30 and you're closing full at 10, doesn't exactly make sense, does it?
No. Yeah.
So, but if like in that situation where it's a 10 pip stop and we have news in 15 minutes, closing full is pretty respectable. So I think it should be fluid.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
Yeah, I mean that's kind of what I do. Like today's trade, The one we took earlier, I closed full because we went like normal risk. It was a 10 pip stop loss. So I mean, I closed half and I was okay to leave runners. I don't know. It's just, it kind of depends on the situation.
Yeah.
Like, but that's for everything in FX though. Like everything, it's either there shouldn't be like, it should all be fluid. Like all the decisions you make in FX.
That's one thing I learned from the stream and Don and just being on stream for a year is having like set hard rules will typically be like negative value. You should be treating every trade as its own trade because every trade's different. Just like you said, like risking half just because you had a winner that day, like it's a different trade.
Yeah. Well, but GG is in the range. You need to wait for a 4 candle close.
4 hours gonna close doji.
I know everyone asks this, but do you have a Nightbot command for your top-down analysis? Yeah, I do a top-down analysis every stream, like the beginning of every stream, the first like 10-15 minutes here. Today we did a breakdown of gold on stream this morning from the weekly down to the 1530 and Sydney on GJ. Just go back and watch it. Yeah, that we do every day, so there's no need to have a command for that. Can you do a count flip if the current candle on gold closes below support? What do you mean a count flip? Yeah, but like, what's your stop loss gonna be? Look at the 4 hour candle. There's no way I'm trading this 1 hour candle here. It's insane. Stop loss both ways are gonna be like 70 pips minimum. But I'm not sure what your question is exactly. I'm not sure if I answered it. Yeah, nobody predicted the gold move though. But yeah, you can't predict both ways. The only thing I can say we predicted was the sell. The sell was from 1831 to 1828. That's it. That's all I'm giving myself credit to. Anything else? That's beyond me. That's beyond me. This, I could not have predicted this.
Trading gods.
Yeah, that's not beyond. That's beyond me. But we did draw out this 1 hour candle. That's it. Coming down towards 1828, and we caught it.
I mean, it was good. It was good numbers. It dumped 100 pips and then flew 150 pips. So that's why you don't play news.
Like this. That's all I drew today. That's all I give myself credit to. This is throwback to when gold actually looked clean. About 30 minutes ago. This is drawn out at 7:57. Wait, JP, what's your question? I'm confused. Could you do a count flip if the current candle on gold closes below support? No, current candle stops on the flip. Like 30 minute. You can be taking the risk that like it's a new 4 hour candle, and the 4 hour candle could, for all we know, could drive all the way up to like 1836 as long as it respects the previous 4 hour candle high, and then still come down. So you can be breaking 30 minute highs, you can be breaking the 1 hour highs, and you can be breaking the 50 minute highs while still respecting the 4 hour highs.
So risky.
So that's why you want to wait to see how like the first 30 minute candle of the 4 hour candle closes to see if we can form that new top wick for the 4 hour candle to drive down, and then you want to execute trades as you have that confirmed. That's what we've been doing the past like the past 2 trades on stream that were after 10 a.m. We waited for the 4 hour candle to form a bottom wick or a top wick, and then we execute. It's crucial, especially a new 4 hour candle. You need those things to occur. Play out. Appreciate you guys for being here today. I love if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys leave a like, sub to the channel. Wicks, you're back.
Back to profits.
Yo, what'd you come back with? Like, what happened? Like, did you close full, close half? What'd you do?
No, it hit 11 pips. Oh,
okay.
Just, I put it 10 and 10. It closed. I don't know. I pushed a little, like a pip past my TP.
You went 10 lot, 20 lots?
No, I went 5 lots on here.
Yeah.
I just went 10 pips.
Yeah, I went to 6. That's solid.
Yeah, but I just had I had to run. I just came back to profit.
Damn. You see the candle? That's
Now
pretty
I see it.
that's
I
pretty
have-
that's pretty messed up.
Yeah, I have no idea how it formed.
So it came down off news. It came down towards the TP, and then it came further down towards the 1821, and then it came all the way back up to 1837. Then it came back to the opening. Then it went down again, and now it's back to the opening. So this count is most likely gonna close doji. I'm pretty sure it's gonna close doji, but 3 minutes left. Look at GJ. What's happening? Oh, might close above. GJ might give us potential. Might give us some potential here. Yeah, it's not bad. That's what I meant as in candle flip. So if the bottom top wick is not big enough to ruin the 1 hour, is it still worth entering? If it's not a 1-to-1, it's not worth entering at all, right?
DJ celery play on the daily was solid.
Yo, JP, I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna have to ask that question using a chart because I'm reading it as kind of confusing.
GJ.
Yeah, GJ ain't bad here.
I just smacked target. 2 minutes.
Surprise. Didn't move all candle. The last 5 minutes of the 4 candle starts to move. Today's mad. Yeah, today's pretty crazy.
Good day.
Good day though. Good day.
It's
not even 9.
Yeah. It's not even 9 a.m. and we
got a trade. Looking at another trade. Might get off. And so much can happen here.
Yeah, or we might get off. I probably won't get off here. I'm probably gonna chill for the next like 30 minutes or an hour. Look for maybe positions if there is any. That sets up for us.
Might have to wait now though for GJ. Wait for support to be formed. Unless it's just gonna smack TP now. Well, okay.
It's tapping this 4 hour resistance here, so it should create a top wick right around here. Should start to reject here and create a top wick. Then close. Right, chat? Look at this 4 hour resistance here. So if we're creating a top wick, with the minute left, it could be around here. And the next 4 hour candle could drive up. Daily target has been tapped and we're exceeding that resistance. So we struggled here for a bit because that was daily resistance. But now that we're breaking through, we're gonna continue with the bullish trend and we should continue up. Weekly target has been tapped. Next weekly target for us is gonna be 163, which is far away. I doubt it's gonna happen this week, but if we close above this week, it should be great news for next week. We still wait for a long bottom wick before entry after this long wick just made. Yeah, it's gonna be a new 4 candle, right? So I want the new 4 candle to create a bottom wick too, but I need this candle to really retrace here. We must get a top wick on this candle in 5 seconds. There it is.
How about new?
There it is. This low wick. Yeah. No entries yet, chat, until we have an established bottom wick formed, which is gonna be like 9:30 probably if NYC open, maybe 9:15. But I want to see us come down here. Maybe if we can come down now towards the support level, and maybe at the support level create support, bullish closure, we can maybe drive back up to retest the highs, and this would be your entry. Knowing that we have a established 4 hour wick, bottom wick, but the 4 candle has no top wick here, so if we flip, we might just drive up, tap 157 here, 462. What else do you have here? What else do you clean traffic above There's not much clean traffic on GJ if I'm being honest here. Not that great. How's gold? Gold forward candle closes bearish. Okay, so let me break down gold's forward candle. So if we're starting to close bearish now, I believe after you create a top wick here on gold, this forward candle should be able to drive down towards the next support, which is at like 1826 here. So you expect the forward candle to drive down towards the support level to fill half of that wick. So positions for us, we're gonna have to see. Honestly, I want to see us close below 1824 here. Below here would be nice sells coming down towards how big is this range here? 1821. A third pit range going down. If this support wasn't here, then you can easily say that we're driving down towards 17. But since there's support right here, I'll be pretty worried about that. But it's gonna be a long time. That steep 4 hour bottom wick on GJ. Steep. Coming down to retest the previous lows. Solid. Yeah. If there's more range on GJ here, I'll have a bot stop right around here. Right around here. Or to break of the highs. If this range is bigger. But it's only like a 6-pip range, right? So there's nothing to do there. If it was maybe like 15, 20 pips, I'll 100% be in. Whatever structure you go. DVS mod gods up. If institutional traders made a hard move on gold, that's all. I've been here since Brexit dropped. This ain't none. Nice, brother. Thank you so much, Dad. No, much love. No worries. I got you guys. Chat, if you guys haven't done today, go follow up our Instagram page. Go follow up our IG page. There's the flip. Yo, Wick, you like GJ at all right now or no, right? Probably not. This thing looks pretty chalked.
Not enough range. It depends where we could. So I'm coming from a different perspective. I've collected my funds for the day. Not in a rush. Yeah, I'm just chilling. But we're entering this, you know, this little resistance, and I don't think there's too much range to take advantage of. We need to break above it. Unless the daily pulls back a little, and then we can take some more buys back up.
I'm in the same boat. That's the same perspective I have. Collecting my funds for a day, and now we're just, you know, no rush. But I won't extend the hours today, though, for sure. Like, it's 9 a.m. We collected our funds. Both 4 accounts don't look that clean in terms of ranges. I'll be fine to call it a day here. But what I will say is, since the 4 account on GJ closed above this range, this next 4 account should drive up. 157,600 should get tapped. But
small little pullback here.
Yeah. Close slightly above it. Above 157,369 here. This range is like 40 pips. It's not bad of a range, 20 pip range, but you really need that flip. But that 4 resistance is a lot different from that 30 resistance. A lot different. What happened to Wick's trade on gold? Did he close it? I wasn't here. Yeah, he closed it. He closed it full at 10 or 11 pips. How much did Michaels make today? I don't know. He popped the normal wrist today. Let me ask him when he comes back. Yo, Wick, take over here real quick. I'm gonna get some water. Real quick.
All right, everybody, strap in, put on your seatbelts. It's gonna be a wild ride. Let's go. I'm about to floor this. Notice how Don's leaving, Marco's not. Oh, Marco's coming back. Here come the W's. I knew it. Oh man.
Say what?
What?
I heard you say my name.
We're talking about you. I would never discuss you. When never talk about you to your face. You gotta leave again, bro.
Okay.
Chat's still spamming W's from an hour ago. I learned and I earned. Good. All 500 of you should have helped yourself today. Lessons every day. And every day it's the same fucking lesson. A lot of you just need repetition. People spamming W's until they get timed out. Yeah, best way to learn is to fuck up. Nuke took that trade too.
Hmm?
Every time, eh?
I haven't said a word, bro.
Every time, Wix. It's you.
I didn't say a word. They start spamming as soon as you start walking out. We've literally done the same thing every day in 2022, and
Yeah, your microphone is picking up.
Results have been consistent.
Yo, Wixline.
Yeah, I know, because they're in the room.
No,
next to me in the other.
Go in your Zoom settings and just turn it up, because it will just regardless of how loud they are, it will just decrease the sound or something.
So where do I go? Zoom settings.
Yeah, and go to audio, and it's like suppress sounds or something.
Yeah, suppress background noise. You put it on.
Where's the setting option? On top it says view options, says zoom ratio, remote, request remote, annotate, side by side mode.
Go on and go the microphone. Go on audio settings on the microphone. The little drop down arrow. You see it?
Uh-huh.
Audio
select
settings.
The microphone, select the speaker, audio settings, yeah.
And then suppress background noise. Put that to like dogs bark. Yeah, put it on high. Because your thing is that high.
It's on auto.
Oh yeah. Put it on high. High or medium, either those two. Try it out. Try talking.
It's on medium right now. You hear them?
Yeah, I hear them. Going high. Going high.
To suppress background noise that high, you got to download the audio enhancement package.
Okay, just leave it at medium. That's too much.
New. Yeah, I got it at medium. Hey kids, make noise. See, when you need them, they just shut up. Oh, there we go.
Damn.
Let me. Where's this belt, yo?
Where's that a guy go? Paul. Paul usually dips off at around this time. He's probably trying to use 30. I don't know. He doesn't even say bye to us. He just dips.
GJ is gonna flip, maybe.
GJ's gonna flip. Damn.
Big fat bottom wick.
Nice. Yeah, it's half off that 15-minute support, 30-minute support. 3 flipping now. And looks like a runaway towards 157.462 here. There it goes, breaking the highs. There's no positions for me, guys. Obviously not enough range here to drive up here, but it's great to see our NASAs play out if it does. Our NASAs right now is simply does this. The flip here should take us up towards the top of this range. That's it. So not a trade to take, but it's something to look forward to.
Yeah, I'm probably done for the day.
Looking at both forward candles, this is not that. They're both not healthy.
Set up, yeah, exactly. The way it's set up on the higher time frames, the time frames that we, tend to put our trust into, are pretty chalked, and you don't want to put your trust in a chalked candle.
Yeah, GJ, you could take on the 4 hour, but you would have to use current candle stops because the RR is only there. If you use previous candle, it's negative.
TP what, 157.600 for you?
Yeah, but you would have to use current candle stops, or it's gonna be like a pretty rough, 40, 35 pip stop. I'm not taking it. I'm just saying that would be the only trade I could see. But it's like, again, you could be holding that trade till freaking tomorrow.
So, what are we this month?
4-0.
Undefeated, never lost.
Undefeated, never lost.
Same thing day in, day out. Yeah, Wick, you're saying something about that. What were you saying? You're saying something about how we're doing the same thing every day.
Oh yeah. I'm just saying, for every day this month, we literally took the same trade. We've been seeing the market pull back before volume times, and we've been seeing the volume come in during volume times, just confirming our breakdowns.
I mean, look at our times I'm taking the trades on. It shows there 9:30 NYSE open, 10 a.m. the new 1 hour candle after NYSE open, 10:15 same thing, new 1 hour candle after the NYSE open, after 8 a.m. NY open, and they've all been on breakout, and maybe one onion on a 1 hour too. Wait, where's the pip counter? Reza, where are you at, Reza?
Yo, scroll to the right.
Oh wait, you're here? Whoa,
Yeah.
whoa. When did you get here?
14 seconds ago.
You swear to God, I did not know you were here. I didn't know. I did not hear you say good morning, nothing. Damn.
I typed it 9:15.
That's insane. I was like, yo, Reza, where is it? I'm like, wait.
He typed it at 9:15 a minute ago.
I didn't see his name. I'm like, wow, that surprised me. Yeah, where's the pip counter again?
Scroll right.
Right.
No, we didn't do a pip counter. We should do it.
How do you do that?
Okay.
What do you mean? You have it right there. It says
Scroll right.
Yeah, where?
Yeah.
Here?
Okay, under the yeah.
Oh.
Do okay on N1. Double click it. Type
Yeah.
pip counter. No, just the cell. Pip counter. And then under it, do equals sum, SUM.
Oh,
No thing. SUM. And then bracket.
Oh, after M.
And then drag.
Oh, you
No,
can
K. Oh yeah, it's I. It's I 2 to 50. Yeah, just drag that all the way down to down. Now drag it down. No. Because you want it to.
Oh.
You see what I mean?
Yeah. How far I drag it down?
You need to select it. You have to select it again.
Yeah, select and then backspace.
Actually, yo, just do I-50. You see how it's I-5? Just type in 50.
This guy's such a graphic designer.
There you go, press enter.
Damn, we got 76 pips this month on stream in 4 trades. 33, 19, 10, 14. That makes sense.
That adds up. That is math.
Wow, I'm surprised. 76. I think we're already doing better in January. Yeah, that sounds crazy. Yeah.
I was so annoyed with myself. For some reason, I went to bed at 4 a.m. and I just couldn't wake up.
You just woke up now?
Yeah. Well, I put an alarm for like 5 minutes before news. I got up. I just saw you guys. I'm like, oh, fuck it. They already took a position. Everything's fine. I went back to bed for another 30 minutes.
It's okay. It's okay.
Tomorrow
Yeah.
exists.
Tomorrow you have no news, right? Tomorrow's a good day, Reza. Come by tomorrow.
Yes, I shall.
Damn. You went to bed at 4 a.m.? What were you doing?
Dude, I don't know, bro. I just couldn't fall asleep.
School?
And then I just got on my phone, and then, when you just go into the abyss.
You could have just traded Asian session. I mean, London session.
I did actually. I got a GJ buy.
Oh, yeah. Everyone got that. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's fine. You're good then. This buy, right?
Yo, I'll tell you where I was catching my buy.
Yeah.
Go on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
I caught it. Actually, I don't know. Why does that look different? I've been getting a lot of break evens, so I keep choking my trades. No, I caught it at like
choking.
That's not your control though, right?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It isn't because I've been playing it really defensive. So yeah, 2:45 a.m.
2:45 a.m. Yeah.
You see all those rejections? I took it away off that. So on the go on the 15 minutes. Sorry.
15. Yeah. Over here. Yeah.
I saw all those wicks down, and then 2:45.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. I got in on that flip.
Oh yeah, that's clean.
How'd you choke it?
But I hit break even. You see what I mean? Like I should have just let it gave it some more breathing room.
You know why though? You hit break even maybe?
No breathing room.
Oh, breathing room. Oh,
I can't believe you just said that, man. Come on.
Why?
Breathing room? We haven't discussed that in a long time. No breathing room stop loss. Nah, because breathing room is like, I'm pretty sure you were here for it, Reza, last year. Breathing room is basically just like.
What the fuck does that mean? Like, what is it in numbers? How do you calculate breathing room?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. I know what you mean. I just bro, I've been moving my stop loss to break even so fucking quick.
but like that trade there, I get why you might hit break even because it was the last 15 of the 4 hour candle or the 1 hour candle. So you would expect the next 1 hour candle to pull back, create a bottom wick, right? And that next bottom wick was probably what stopped you out.
Yeah, and
how many pips were you in profit?
Pardon? I went I didn't go too many pips in profit. It was a fast trade, man.
I mean, this thing came up like 8 pips, 12 pips, 11.
Yeah.
4 or 5 pips. Damn.
No. Yeah.
Well, the thing is, you need to have the reason you're moving it too early is because you don't have a plan of your risk management beforehand. So when you entered that trade, you should know when you're moving stop loss to break even based on resistance. That way, you're not just like, oh, I see profit, I don't want to lose now. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I agree. I was also a little bit nervous because I don't trade Asian, right? So I didn't exactly understand how the market moves then.
London.
London, my bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm with Marcos. Yeah, it could have been well thought out.
And that's another thing. Like, if you're doing the same thing every single day, you won't be scared. So if you're consistently changing your strategy, changing the trade you take, changing when you trade, you're never going to be 100% confident in your trades, and then it's going to lead you to moving to break even too fast.
Yeah, I'm with that, man. 100%. Like, the direction was right, but yeah, the trade management was an L for me.
And I only know that because I did it myself.
I am with that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gold. What are our trades this month?
No, it was actually maybe no, it was
gold.
GJ gold. Okay, next trade GJ then, chat. Makes sense. Going based on previous results.
GJ fake out next, based on patterns.
Yeah, this is clean. Someone said, "Let me have access to it." Who said that? Chat. Who said that in the chat? Someone emailed me or something, saying, "Can I have access to the sheets?"
Everyone has access, right, to view it.
No, to edit. Someone wants to edit.
Oh no! Don't let anyone edit it.
If you want to view it, yeah. If you want to view it, do exclamation point the traits.
You can copy it and make it yourself.
Yeah, or yeah, Don could just put like a download file or something. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure if they open it, they could just download it.
Chat, you guys have it. You guys have it. Just do exclamation point traits. You guys have it right there. It's all open for you guys.
Don, did you show him page 1 where it says the empty template?
Oh yeah, right here. Go to empty template, the journal template. Let me just.
Yeah, we made that like specifically for anyone else who wants to use it.
Yeah, so we have all the months here, and then you have the first one, which is journal empty. It's pretty dope.
No Lambo chasing.
Oh, yo, you did the dates properly because of the aesthetics.
Which one?
The date.
Yeah. I have OCD. You just put the number. Are you lazy?
Yeah. I just thought it'd be easier long term, but yeah, that's a lot nicer.
Yeah, I have OCD. Like, I might not know how to do things properly, but I don't know. That stuff I gotta do. Like Gold yesterday, when it was lowercase, I'm like, yo, it's gotta be uppercase.
Yeah. Paul, take care, Paul.
Paul say dip. Yo, peace out, Paul.
Don sees the YouTube chat more than he sees the Zoom chat.
Yeah, cause the Zoom chat is not that popping. I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, I do look at it cause I get a little notification. The spreadsheet is empty. You gotta go to the next month. At the bottom says January, February. Go to the next month. Yo, Marcus, I told you people wouldn't know what that was. This is you and Reza. I'm like, yo, no one's gonna know how to do it. Cause no one's gonna know that feature at the bottom.
Learn how to use spreadsheets, bro. Welcome to 2022, like.
All right, give me a second. I wanna go.
You know what's gonna be really fun? When you at the end of the month, we could insert. We can make bar charts or bar graphs and pie charts.
Yeah.
Make it all.
Really? Using what? Using like this on here?
They have a feature there. You could just you basically copy the data and then you turn it into a chart.
Yeah, I got it.
Sick.
What's that show? We're bullish. It shows the 30-minute start replay. Yo, imagine make a chart of a chart.
We can make it could be based on win percentage, and then you could have 3 different bars for each setup, and then you could see the win percentage, which one has the highest win percentage in bar chart form. You can do based on average pips. You can do based on hour time frame. You can make a chart for literally everything. You're gonna need a full-time Excel person.
Yeah, for real. If anyone knows how to work with Excel and wants to do this for us.
Devious data analyst.
Devious data analyst.
Looking to grow. Chat, last year was practice. This year's still practice. Next year is the real deal.
Yo, Don, do you know like approximately when you broke down your gold trade? Because
when?
Wait, did you take
Why?
it off the 30-minute closing below?
Nah, if you look at the spreadsheet Reza, that you made, it says the 1 hour. That's dope, right? It shows a time frame now too. And guess what? It shows a time. So yeah, go to the 8 a.m. I think it's around 8 a.m. I broke it down. It was just a 1 hour closure below the range, basically.
Okay. I'm gonna go check that out for a second.
Yeah, the 15:30 were pretty choppy. I'll buy this up. I sent my sheet. Check it, please. Yeah. Yo, where'd you send it? On which channel? Oh, there it is. Suggestions. Okay. I gotta have access, man. Oh, look at this playbook, Reza. You see this? It's so clean. This is one page. Oh man, this makes me happy. Because the whole industry doesn't know what this is. After this book gets released, the whole industry will know what these plays are. Startup play is recognized as an entry type and is the closest thing we have to an impulse entry, but is not considered one since it's a plan and set play we wait for. We're not just randomly entering the position when we feel like price is pushing. Again, there should be not emotions attached to those entries. Some of you may be wondering why it's called startup play, and that's because we used it for ourselves, organic traders, meaning we do not use anything but candles, only indicators, fibs, or anything of that sort. Thus, over the years, as we couldn't recognize and took this play, we deemed it the startup play. Grammar on point, chat. You're kind of broke above the range with the bearish candle closing above the range, respecting previous candle lows. Therefore, this is a valid setup, and we will take an entry. We wait for a wick down and place our buy stops on the top of the candle high. Stops in the situation would be the current candle low. Stops can be placed below the previous candle as well. Damn, so yo, for commands now, like instead of having commands that drops to like my YouTube videos or my Instagram posts, it will be dropped to this right here. This page. What is this?
What is this? What did I miss?
This is. Oh, this is your spreadsheet. Nice. Oh, it shows percentages. Yeah, cause I'm not gonna show percentages because like it's not a spreadsheet for my trades I'm taking. It's more of a spreadsheet for the trades on stream. I don't really make a spreadsheet for my own trades. It's kind of, you know, kind of have stats every month from the statement anyways. This is good though.
The spreadsheet's pretty good too.
Yeah, and better than mine. Mine wasn't bad.
No, yours is beautiful just the way it looks.
Yeah.
Sorry, wait, Don.
Yo.
Annotate on Zoom.
Yeah, you can annotate. Yeah.
What was your range one? Okay, so this right here was your range 2, right? This little bit was your range 2.
Let me just redo it for you. I got you. It was
Okay.
So prior to news, my ranges were like this. Resistance. And then it was over here. So yeah, it was off of 30. Range 2. And then
Okay.
yeah. And then the next range is below here.
Oh, okay.
And then the 1 hour candle closed and then we took a sell.
Oh, okay,
then,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what happened.
Alright. Thanks.
No worries. Chat, should I call it a day? Oh, sorry, what? Yeah.
I just want to let it be known, chat, notice how I didn't walk into the stream late and just demand Dawn to do another breakdown for me. I went back and looked at it.
Mm-hmm.
Good DVS etiquette. Etiquette. That's what I'm trying to say.
Should I call it a day, guys? What am I gonna do from now on? What's the deal? What's the plan? Words of wisdom. What's the plan?
We made what we could from the market today. We actually took advantage of the same thing. We take advantage of this every goddamn day. And now if you trade, you're actually, opening yourself up to risk.
Is that GJ?
you're gonna have a solid day right
Yes.
now. You know, with a win, why risk giving market its money back?
In these markets right now too that are very chalked right now.
You're literally setting yourself up for failure. You have a chalked
What's
4-hour
his voice is so
candle.
calming.
What do you say?
Your voice is so calming.
Great. And you have a
You're
really
just so chill.
you have a chalked 4-hour candle. It's just on both pairs too. Like they're both.
When Wix talks to me, I feel like everything's just gonna be okay.
It will save your funds for tomorrow, so we could take advantage of the same damn play we've been taking advantage of the entire year, entire 2022. Why risk your funds for a lower probability trade when you can just take what we're gonna take tomorrow, what we did today, what we did yesterday, and we won? Right?
Yep.
It's money. This is real shit. Like, this is the real world. This makes the world go around. So why treat it like a game? It's not PlayStation, you know.
It's not PlayStation. How about Xbox? Yeah.
I'm just saying, treat it with the importance it deserves, with the importance that it is in the real world. You know, don't treat it like, oh, it's some shit on a screen, because this can go in your pocket and then this can change your life. Why treat it like a joke? So save your funds for the next higher probability setup now, because if you're just itching to trade, you're itching to trade in a chalked market. Why? Like, what? You know? Why? Stop itching to trade. You should be itching to grow. Fuck the goals that you have for today. You should be itching to grow every day. And with that, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
That was a
That was a good
Sorry, bro.
That was good.
But I missed it. Could you start over?
How about new?
How about no?
Peace out, y'all. Y'all stay safe.
Yeah, yo. Peace out. Wait, who just said that?
Nuke.
Oh, Nuke. Peace out, bro. Easy.
Quiet all stream.
Yo, Mark, you been staying all stream. That Mark does not sit.
Standing sitting.
It's actually upside down. The camera flipped.
How's your day today, Mark?
It was good. Took that W with you guys. Just chilling now.
Nice.
Chilling, you're hopping off. You're done, or what?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, it's good. That's good right there. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. It's a short stream today. It kind of sucks to hop off stream. I mean, we can do anything else, but not much to do. We did a Wordle already, so yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, okay? 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Tomorrow's Friday, last day of the week. Yo, is it me, or ever since the streams have been extending, it feels like a shorter stream? Like the streams feel so short right now. It's only been 2.5 hours.
Yeah, this feels nice. We have like a real day to attend to.
Yeah.
There's like real world shit out there.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Go live your life.
Live your life. Peace out.
Thanks for hosting, Don. Shout out to
course.
the community.
Of
Go
course.
like the stream. Go like the stream.
Yeah, leave a like. How many likes do you have right now?
156.
156. We need 200 likes, chat. Come on, you guys can do it. 200 likes for your boy. Thank you. Yo, just also thanks for our donos today too. Our donations. Yo, guys, if you have something done today, go sub to the channel, leave a like, and be a member if you guys want to. Peace out.
Later, boys.
Take care.
Peace out.
Peace and love. All right, Warzone.
I thought after Friday's stream.
Come on, Don. Go play some Warzone.
You wanna play? We can play.
Yeah.
We can play. Me too.
Warzone.
We're gonna hop on, but yeah, we can play.
I got a 3070 now. Don't tempt me, dog.
Oh, you can go download the game. What are you doing?
Download the game. I'm gonna have two angry four-year-old over here going,
Dad, what are you playing?
what are you doing?
The stream ended way quicker than I anticipated.
Why is there a little kid crying on the other end?
I have free time now because we got to trade so early. I don't know what to do.
Shut up, it's war. Yeah, I gotta do
Shut
it.
up, a
Oh,
s'more. Yo, if like it wasn't super laggy when you guys did the 1v1s, they were so entertaining. Just the lag sucked.
That's okay. Actually, I'll end the stream and just